kiumia kia mwisho kiri mweri jwa etano mutegeri na muthekiria wa Thiri FM na mutegeri wa Meru TV mbetekiri ngu watogeni kiri mubango joto rumuriro siasa yo kujira from tukutionde tia Sunday kwambire kithake thaa 2:30 mwanka kithake thaa 5 tuketha tukiaraniria mantu tofauti waraja gwitana mbere kwithwa je karikande ne ya county yetu ya Meru county ritu thiurungirite na kinyandene ya ndiguru ya Kenya yonde kama kawaida tukwena ruo twina mantu ja maingi jara tuketha tukiariria era tukubanganitie tuketha tutegera mantu ya thire ya gitana mbere national government akwina mantu ya Ebola akwina mantu ya finance bill akwina mantu ya siasa ikwirikana nika iko divide Kenya tuketha tutegera jau jonde kwina kinya mantu ya security in schools kuringana na mantu ya rombite kwithwa ya kiumira tuketha tutegera mantu ya jonde na kinyandene county ya Meru tuketha tutegera ni mbia jongo gwitana mbere rikana tugire atiri igitara thirikari kurita ngugi tukauga thirikari ni kurita ngugi igitara tukuita tukauga kurita nikienda at least tumba kwitha tukimenya ni nako ina thina na ni nako tina thina inakubatire kurekebishwa inakubatire kwithirwa kukirimeni ura kuri kwa hivyo karibuni sana ili mubango John kenda tutana mbere kwitha tukiarania lakini mbere ya tumba kwithirwa tukiaraniria na mugeni wetu tunonde na studio yetu tukithirwa tugitegera karugono kanini tu kadeke mwake then tutana mbere na rwadi rwetu rwa ntuku ya narua
public meeting in Nanyuki, in Laikipia. I want, with a lot of tremendous respect to the United States of America. The United States of America is the greatest, largest democracy. We admire their democracy and their observance of the rule of law and constitutionalism. We learn from the United States. We are not yet there. We would like to be like the United States in matters of democracy and the observance of the rule of law. I want to ask the United States of America, since there is a court order stopping the establishment of that center in Kenya, show us a way in observing the rule of law. Don't join Kenya in disobeying a court order and practicing impunity. You will be taking us back. We will be wondering whether you have two standards, one for America, that is a democratic country, that observes the rule of law, respects court order, but in Kenya, you can join the Kenyan government in impunity to disregard a court order. Because I'm told, despite the court order, equipment are being brought to Nanyuki. And Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka, what is worrisome is that members of the military who are not political, our military is very disciplined, is very professional. They have looked for me and they are telling us, speak for us. We don't want that center in Nanyuki Air Base because we also live there. We have families. Anything can go wrong and we need to leave. So the soldiers are very unhappy, but they have no voice. The people of Laikipia, Dr. Kalonzo, Eugene Wamalwa, have asked us to hold a meeting in Nanyuki to give them an opportunity for public participation so that they can express themselves, so that the American government can know what the people of Laikipia feel. Because any decision that can affect people's lives, our constitution provides there must be public participation. The people of Laikipia were not consulted. The people of Kenya were not consulted. So I think in the course of the week, we'll organize a big public meeting in Nanyuki, in Laikipia, to give the residents of that county an opportunity to express themselves as to how they feel and the danger that they see. I have just seen a report from the World Health Organization this morning saying that this Ebola outbreak that has come in DRC is the type that has no vaccine. And you need 6 months to develop a vaccine. That report is also saying that in case of spread, 50% of those infected are not likely to make it. We cannot therefore endanger our country.
Yora rikini kuona mutegeri wa Meru TV na muthikiri wa Thire FM ni karugono kanini kamurimo jora tukumenya yurikanite jumbite kuthwa yurikuo kinye kethwa ndine county kana ndene ya nthiguru yetu ya Kenya lakini yithiritwo jui ruterene rwa Uganda yithiritwo jui Congo na kuntu kungi kuingi na kwa hivyo tuketha tukiariria mantu jau kuringania nyamantu yomba kuthirwo kibiru au nikenda tumba kuthwa tukimenya ni mbio yongwa igwita na mbere kethwa kintu kira thirikari kuthithia kibugi kana kitibugi tuketha tugitegera both sides nikenda tukomba kuthwa tukimenya ni bao bari umana ni bari ko bari wrong. Kwa hivyo karibuni sana na kama kawaida ukomba kuthwa ukitwata Facebook Meru TV Kenya rutera YouTube Meru TV Kenya na wenda kuthwa ukintumira SMS kuna namba idene screen yaku ya 0748918991 ukethwa ukintumira SMS yaku na bila shaka ukomba kuthwa nkimigwata mbitajeri wacheupe. Kama kawaida itethera tuina mugeni wetu ndani studio na tutethera twinga tutethera tuina expert for the day nikienda bakithwa agitwariria na gutweresera mantu ja maingi kathumba yaraja yengi siasa na jange kathumba. Karibu sana ndani ya mitambo yetu ya Thire FM na Meru TV bwana Kimathi.
Asante sana Njeri.
Yes.
Na tegeri betu bonde ba Meru TV ire kuga cionere mwanya ngwiritwo muno kwithia ande aja ntukuya na arua sore sauti ya kwete bui muno lakini tukaraniria tuone uria Kenya yetu etite uria Meru yetu etite nontu mantu ja maingi ndigwa ntukuibuliuga mambo ni mengi
masandio
machache
yes.
I hope hapa masaa itakuwa marefu kidogo nontu mantu ja koli ja maingi twake Meru yetu tuli amwe ngugwirua gukinyaja amsore ngucherwa kindogo ndatinda nara kwenu nguchoga inya kwenu nau lakini ndona gutuka ndindikethania
ariko gitonyo
ka uturu ndero ne akuina kwenu
ne mane
baimbira na aru gorotuka kuocho kire nilikuwa home kabisa uturu celebrate kiatho gia Father Bernard Muthomi uro ukari na Silver Jubilee 25 years in priesthood ire akuga in the Lord's Vineyard and again kumwera congratulations
kabisa congratulations
kwa maneno sasa
karibu sana
asante sana
na jisikie nyumbani nibwaga nyano tuko junga na kwetu I hope nurire mira
mura nkuruma mura na we na jo muthongi muno nando nantu we na twinto
abatu to beta
kona we na mbesha nara ni jo mura ndonere bureta inya kinya kanisene kire matega bukareta mura which is very very good
yes,
nigio twaugire cash crop yetu emera tutitekeria ni body amithukia nthiguru iji we will never accept na mira is a cash crop like any other na economy yetu ya Meru na economy ya Kenya ni gwatiri muno imira na nguchokeria antu ba gembe patigania region ya ndamira nkatho nuntu bokurita ngugi utuko na muthenya na nya kureta bit of vonda kiri urimi wa mira na ngwitikia pricing ikendelea kubwa nuntu kiri imera bionthe biria thirikari utegera na biria nya deputy president wetu anenkeri njukumu na enderete kung'ang'ana bio na mbesha na bigana good environment kibiashara ni kilimo kana kemera
kabisa
mwango wete murade
je ukara kugeta mura twakwira sasa naona tuendani vizuri lakini thank God umetoka huko na ukuonora ntu bana rabethera baikara kwa hivyo chief karibu sana ndene mitambo ya Meru TV itukonda kwenda tukiariria mantu jatuegia ya Kenya bonde kwa jumla na nthiguru yetu number 1 katwambia report utarikie kuona yegi mantu ya murimo jwa Ebola murimo jwa Ebola ni murimo jwa rikanite kutwa juthuki sana nyangurukia COVID-19 na we thank God yosira mba kinya Kenya but kuina ojuri na antu iba tete otoro baba ingi sana ikwithiritwe kukirwa kwamba thirikari ya Kenya ni jukitikanya kakua kwithirwa kwina quarantine ire gwoko ndene nthiguru ya Kenya facility ire kethirwa igikantu igitara pa uma nau bajitwe bakenya bage kwau ndio wasitangamane na wetu wengine hiki tukiretete miarie mingi sana kire ya Kenya baba ingi bakaigwa ya kwamba katukuretera murimo na tukiona batu tutaje lakini tukura lazima hapo waachwa but according to you as a leader na kinyokeritango thirikari what do you think thirikari is doing
Thank you so much mutegeri wetu wala buri. Nkuona report, nkuona kile TV former deputy president akiaria mantu ja Ebola na ni gintu ikwarua Kenya na ulimwengu mzima. Mulimo jo Ebola mulimo very serious. Mulimo jomba kuleta madhara sana. But I am happy no tukumaya Ebola ya mbili tutaigwa cases ja Ebola in the country. But yote kuga iteumba kukalika Kenya yetu. Ntearie muno mantu ja quarantine center ngomenya nayo kuuria muno ende ntenda kwaria muno no ntukuuga kinya ugo kwaragia TV ne ariuga no ntukwina kotonda America itibati gutetherie Kenya kumbri kotonda nyao ni kwina kotonda bije kwe mantu ja maingi ntumba kunde ndoro into deep kirijo no ntukwina kotonda erera rigairie gwa quarantine center but erere juri murimo still ntereka ku mention one or two akenya bamenye na Ameru bamenye mbere matu ina thirikari na thirikari ya Kenya is a very responsible government ne thirikari mbere aigwa kwina murimo juri ndiguru fulani kana kwina outbreak no monka thirikari ike mantu jange John the Kando ithuganirie just in case murimo yuyu keja Kenya kukarate still thirikari ya Kenya like any other government irereke WHO World Health Organization in international health obligations irebati kuforu na kana roere bati ku play nduru bati ku play kiri global health na ukathoma jari kwali na covid ikwali na concerted effort kana ikwali na mikakati elithegwa worldwide some practices jaija washing hands mask nenya mask standard ya mask ukamenya ni iriku vaccine ikauma ku kana ndawa no iriku ikauma where ni eja regulated in WHO na kwina international sheria iria ingavana pandemics na I think in responsible government ebati kuchiuria uju kukeja ugia na disease outbreak na arua ina quarantine center umba kuithire eri inyambere uchiurie ne mu America kane mu Kenya kane mu Congo kane where ask yourself first nonto you know to in global world Jerry ugeta international airport yetu JKIA na arua thai tureja antu iba kuma ndiguru ingi kinya Europe everywhere bagita cha down kire muthetu joto jwa Kenya tuka na round down ni siasa je upinzani tuambirio tega Ebola na America na nditure munyagu ikinga za country no ntu tegete uria mu America akuga quarantine center tutethie kuthithia turegana ndi gutega turie na ndi nontu batu we at risk suppose this happens what next nontu nandi kinya uwo mutu ngugwa ke ngudona kere TV ne ati gutuira practical step ira batu as a country according to tubati kuthithia je kumenyera o nationals aituira ura tutibati kuthithia kumenyera nationals ba America and remember murimo jote namba boundaries na ara twathithirie quarantine centers rira kware na covid na arua health care yetu miru ni etethekere muno ni quarantine centers ira twathithirie imben jara ura twari na quarantine center goji kwari na itanda bibingi sana na imbija muge boreta no bona itanda bira today ukeje ibyo bire masibitari jetu ijo pia tumirwe kuita go expand facilities jetu covid ye kuthira ugetara meru level 5 mumiru na arue mbere kwari na ka oxygen plant kanini muno batu katwagura oxygen tutumaira oxygen cylinders ire tugeta kugura oxygen engine even outside the county Meru lakini covid ndiye kuija kwatwikana ndi national government nego tutetheria kuthithia oxygen plants kirithi sibitari jetu inene niro tombere kuthithia a mega oxygen plant ire Meru level 5 covid ndiye kuthira oxygen plant ire Meru level 5 itero ni ebereo nontu ethithi tu nontu wa covid kethiri kwejire siasa cia upinzani ja inkuona nandi tukauga nandi tutithithia quarantine center yetu tutithithia anga mantu jau nontu anga mu America no atonyo anga mu Congolese no atonyo anga gatukwenda kureta disease nontu siasa yino ipuri kutuike nandi go kwenda kureta disease igojari kware na quarantine center iria yario ya covid mbaranga ba imine rugurwa kureo nturirikana niwea bure aja kurereo aja every corner chionde cha county ni kwari na quarantine center kethiro ririkana siasa hii gachagua kureta ni chia kuona ninya within the country tukayo tuike tukwenda kuina serious attack ya mulimo jaju siasa hii tukaji entertain ya retrogressive politics then it means kote community kote nture karote kiria quarantine center diwa kwao teato adithio quarantine centers tika ku disease area that village tika ku disease area that sub county at that time but we are just katwethera tuithe general preparedness just in case ndabuga na oxygen plant ire Meru level 5 thai ni go supply oxygen county yetu Meru yonde kinya sibitari ite public they can get oxygen from there Kanyakine the same you see so man tuje ujonde summary ejo ni uju opposition when thirikari kanare okuga yes no mwango ngeuge no so it is a right and I want to agree na public participation te kuge ka didu bauga lakini manto ya mwani je tekiri tu ya didu haraka nkeja kuona kuina disaster somewhere ile ambao tuoka kinyatha hii turi aja nkeja kuona siringi ni gukugwira njeri ntambo kuriethira nko evacuate from there atindi the public participation yenu bu badatu tumenyethira twebere aja ka turekwebera I just sound an alarm mbuge there is something them kuna njera yumba gwoka within 5 minutes then we evacuate story ngi tukathia bandai so what I am saying there ni politics of Ebola which has evolved in the country na within 2-3 weeks itakuwa imeisha opposition ni watera gintu kira kia ruiro is a low hanging fruit nontu nande wetakire antu obera ibukuretoro Ebola ba kuringira mpi tukeja na nyuki kwaria mantu jau ba kuringira mpi then ukabatiga wale ubethire and without any practical solutions.
Lakini bwana director katu atiri kire concerned ile mwantu bethire to bana tio itonete secretary wa US agichumira na kawa boba tetikiria Ebola tonye US in any means yani bakieriora kumbekika burungu make sure murimo nyo tomba kuthajwe Kenya US and now the question comes that US bo bari nanto bari Congo kana ukungi kuina murimo jo na maybe bawatijwo US ni kwa citizens bo batetekeri bachoka nara no twachoka nara bakagwatithia antu bao murimo lakini bakweza bakabura bakatetheria ku make that facility in Kenya na bo babudia facility the first priority bara bakanekro the first priority ni Americans then now Kenyans bakoria atiri batu tu Kenya gethariti tutiajetwe kana kinya kethara maybe kwe no bajetu tuseme niki nonto facility wete we kuona ona ukongo kwajetu maybe Boden or something na niki nonto anti bakarito na Americans beje kwa quarantined in Kenya ira ambayo ni chini
kubararito
but ikitengeneza watakuja
but thirikari ya Kenya kinyoni nekanirete commitment that guti mu Kenya tukenda gwatwa tukarekeria agwatwa ni any disease disease ya Ebola so story ucho de kwererwa I don't see them being here or there so within the next 2-3 weeks naone there will be nothing like that manto jamwe thirikari tiuga mono etiuga mono nete shindana na upinzani kuuga manto jau nonto thirikari mbugire mbere ma ina responsibility inyingi muno gutiro getera president Ruto arunga maugana ndi tutenda ini body kana tutenda ini national wande guru fulani eja kwa treated Kenya but no dire wewe ngwa na kwangiri no bukuga but yatiuga uno ndo broader responsibility enayo US USAID iko inga programs jiayo the kind of suffering in Africa is too much na America tika batu tuithara tuina partnership yayo on Ebola tuina partnership yao on mantu ja maingi mono na economy yetu ni support wa mono ni programs na projects ji America and any other country indeed nonto ule go treat one country kire international policy ni taga ni the spiral effect igetenya kire other nations and the rest so President William Ruto as a responsible head of state no ethere kinyawe is not far from the truth that inya go wichiria President William Ruto no enda achiba bagiro guntu bare twanthuru na yawe atibeja utirithroa au na bahatu totena case as we speak you not but you not expect him arungama jo upinzani me upinzani they have nothing to lose we have something to lose on behalf of the citizens of the country so allow me to tigere ntato au ontunyani ya on TV kwe manto ntiuga but yambuge o Kenyans bakuga kinyaba hatu no utukuga but yatukuga from another side of
sorry lakini otogetigera ni mbetekeria ngo turi atire no tukuna muntu komborete nkuri kirugi kuri atire could it be that Kenyans twithire tuturanto by yes sir because now niko kuoneka yakato kwa controlled ni America muntu walelia rutere rwa Haiti twero tutumetu antu betu nona batu mono kuna resources still
and by the way Haiti either who are you get story ji Haiti was a successful mission.
Yes, it was.
And let me tell you, the Jerry, kujite kumira another mission like Haiti. Police, beto ba Kenya, armed personnel, they normally, you know, better be front line, ya ku volunteer to go there. So when you ureo kutegera mantu na side yemwe, kinya side yengi, para barumira no barejire bagwire tu mbaye.
Lakini miako na mwanya na mulimo.
Ya mulimo yonkuga we are talking the same language. We are talking the same but different approaches and angles.
Na kuna mtu kuri atri bona director arua kulingana na kibia kana kuona ontobo bando no bogeta nambere kuthokire President William Ruto kura cia wende ne Mount Kenya because people thinks that nikino ndo akureta Mount Kenya not any other part of the country.
Hapana tetu reta Mount Kenya. Hapana. Ruto ngakuoni Ruto endete Mount Kenya onandi. Let's move on. I will show you how he likes Mount Kenya. Yes.
So walikuja aje na hiyo answer ya kusema ikuje Laikipia specifically?
You know kuna training ya Laikipia. Training camp ya Laikipia. You know that? Yeah. Na tena mbugire ntikwenda kondera on that. That's a court matter. Na nkuona you are dragging me to deal to go there which I want to resist. Yes.
Okay. Kuna mtukumbira if by any chance that deal goes through and a Kenyan got infected, the president should resign and be taken to jail.
Okay, hiyo ni maoni yake.
Okay.
You know what? I don't want to kwenda to deal with the negativity because kuna culture yite in the country na nyamiro imeoneta muno. Every time negative. Yani you can spend your 2 hours here kilisho iji looking at negative. Uri mubire ne ukiona mubira watch a ball. Uri ome. Yeah? Wona a lot of mistakes kile players baba in the pitch. Ukona abati kwenda kuingiria. Wateko ukona kedere igo endene ale uingiria mbao 20. Kinyaka chagua. Uga to gugai TV na thai. Rire ari thirikari ne. Na nande tofauti. Rire if we ask him urathithirie igitarire. If we ask him mantu yara uruga thirikari endere agakara kethira no ri kunaru atithira kiaragia ure. But Narua, you know, your opposition politics is very sweet. You can just talk, but at the end of the day, what happens? So him, because he is outside.
Okay.
Outside the pitch. When he was in the pitch, 2 years, Kinyangoru ataingiri nyemo. 2 years. Tutona cibitari jeji. Jeji ya level 5 ya komo akerejo kwako. Tutona kawa kaiya mbesha karejiro ya mbesha kuita. Even now ali mantu jau because jaja rona ndina na kwenda kwithira on the side of the Kenyan. Number 2 ageta wewe ngo create mantu in terms with it. So nikionkuga let's not to so much on negative energy. Turirwe ni the mantu ya maingi ja mathongi chara ya kuendelea ndigurune.
Okay.
And yeah.
Okay. Okay. I think we are more of clarifying things, because when I'm talking by negative thoughts about the same, na isipokuwa atongeria babu na maybe bondana na nabo kuelewa nkuluki no bomba ko make it clear to them bakomba kuelewa kinyankuruki rather than tadirawo tia ba
minister na rere serebo kamuno minister for CS or health and Duale na rere serebo kamuno but I don't expect kashagwa igwa no to akaigwa no atona gya kwariria ruji yeah, but Kenyans are safe.
Okay,
that's the bottom line. Kenyans are safe.
Okay.
Kwirokera itwa kinyanka we are not as foolish
as we look.
So gote COVID direct gote nini karetwo Kenya no gote Ebola karetwo forget but yale ko institution yake ne gati wana muthetu na yote. Yes.
Okay. Haya ngote kento
tingende tukathari Nyerere Kenyatta na Kenyatta ereo yeah tukathari impossible. Okay, ipoeka sana. Katu tenambera muthikiria no tu kuringana no stories ekarira nande katu magaruka tu tena Antonange ban direct katu jeru terene rwa maskuru itwethirite tukiona no tubwa ikarikare akarikire juzi ria utumishi girls tuonete pole sana kile family cia barabatini endo bao kuringana no tunkuni bra thithiru kwitwikania nditobongo baithite skuru ira. Na at the same time, it was the Ministry of Education, manto jaji akarikite for so long, kinyadro ima skuru yange, na baka huwa kuna investigation iko bwithwa, skuru ikerwa shediri batere kudingatira, uraba batere woka structures yao and all that. But until now, iyaka mantu jaji atakinyanira, iyaka jatirojurana, na iyaka skuru rite akawa urako batere, at least go make sure about it, yana yari yako ina dina jeum. Do you think Ministry of Education is doing well in that part now that no tukona crime sino kwa igwe tekicho kaira? Thank you. Ugoria kiuria boga kama nona ndi. Untuoria Ministry of Education.
Yes.
Unfortunately in this country, kintu ya karika wrong urigo iria Ruto. Uko oririo kethera ni education kwina minister kana kwina cabinet secretary na kwina team wewe ina ne mwanka mashinani kwina education officials mwanka mashinani kwina inspection team is the inspection ya chukuru nini all those director by education wako hapo mbere mambuge ya msore pole sana tukuendelea kuga pole kile family ile irarusiana bao kurusiana 16 very promising young girls taken to Kemoshelo. So as a country we are pained na president na deputy president bara kirikirio tuma kinyarambira mbichi yao na commit to support those families nigintu buruburuke ringithetie Kenya na inya muno kura tutinde expect because twathuganagia mantu yo ya kuthira lakini na ndi tukuona ituchokete okairi uworia ria kwari na Mwangi I think kwa ina Mwangi na joragana kwina decisions cia thithirwe na kwina regulation cia thithirwe uria dormitory bati gwakwa classes bati gwakwa CCTV ciekirwe na skuru nyingi over 350 schools in the country chia ingirwe out of that but unfortunately kuonania bandu chukuru chietu bandu tichionde chikinyetie that level ire kwendeka ntukuririkana gutwika ikaingwo almost cionthe igwatwikire na ndi gradually chukuru chiendere kuthithia restructuring ya facilities ciao nontu tio ina 100% but tugerie at least to make sure chukuru jiena escape routes kedha ni dormitories mirango exit route chia Kiboega fire extinguishers tundi consensus in dormitories na all those kind of things chiekirwa maskuru jetu unfortunately kwa skuru inganona bandu ikuona ni tami nontu yu ne kuona ni na labs kidogo ni kuona ni Kinyatha schools chiomba kwethera jinio so nande minister naragire anybody uri ukethira ararire amamire class kana aregere kuitanguge ora kubati inda nontu wa skuru yu arethira ni education official arethira ni management ya skuru nuregirwe mbundi already hiyo imetolewa ya investigation ni uthithwa na thirikari ni ugite anybody uri wakaethira culpable of what happens or happened on that day akajukiriwe tagaria investigation ni ku pointer kire aritwa na ngwetike ibuju na tekankwenda kwaria mantu yo muno mantu ja kiao muno kethira kure arimu bakethira paregete gwita ngwaro kubati kwina sheria Teacher Service Commission watachukuliwa hatua kethira isaindie inge ya thirikari education officials pajukiriwe tagaria leo na leo o kulingana na sheria but unfortunately na kile ndenda kwariria kindogo ne agu gutweka ne alitoa I think naro bare alitoa 7
yes
parea baithiri skuru kana bare investigation ikuonania ile bari involved bijite kuona video kuona CCTV which was very very shocking what we are saying ikuina nindi hii nene mono twekera infrastructure skuru itutumira infrastructure kethia ni CCTV camera irio itumitumire bandu tugetera CCTV camera kutwikane ya crime ya karika kutetheria investigation nuntu kuringana ora kamera undona wena undameona kethira ikware na mtu serious na dedicated ke control room aikara ategete kutu those ngaos painde jana maguta na baeka maguta jauku na ba prepare buru nuntu tikabejira maguta thayu baithia thayu maguta no monkaja ile asinikire before na nyeru ba prepareaga ngugiu ya kinyama kethira kwina muntu ori dedicated ni control room gutega what is happening I detect mapema kinya kindogo na bakomba kurigiria such a thing yetega karike that's point number 1 point number 2 iko kunindi aritobe tukan ana betu bambirie kuthomithwa kairi mbere ikwethara kwina ithomo very serious bia nyamiturire nontu ikintu gya kumakania kuona ngaos baithitie dormitory na bakamatuka bagatiga bangi bakwira in that dormitory na once still ukona mattress ile ithitwe ni ile ya kwina exit which means muntu una kumenyora kuthi
yes
nontu ne kwina exit o arantu babati kugitata kumira no mwanga ni bwega nandi ana betu kinya baitana gwa kukuruka igerio nya bagitana gwa concept ichi yonde ibwega twithire twina ana bena kithomo na bena umuntu ndene yao nontu ketha wina kithomo na wina umuntu ndene ku utitangu giu na inyatha ya country njeri tubati kuithuganiria kairi kujiika kamucemanio as a country and as citizens kinya tukira umu ana na buruburu barathithirio pakajukirwe tagaria takisheria once investigation chiathigwo na chiarika na kuoneka for sure nebo itagaria rikajukua na very very punitive keno ndu tugachokerwa kairi but as a society ndenda as a society tukara ndi omuntu nandi athithiria kamucemanio njeri tujuria baturi tuomba tuika socialization process yetu iria twiniona ndi ana betu ni era thukire right now ugeta barabara chetu Meru town na major towns cia Meru barabara ni raithirwe retu maandamano turarea weje ukethira all junctions that as we speak mbura ejite yarikia kuura no twena ndije kuthira all junctions cia Meru roads towns chietu barabara ni raithirwe na oware wa Mwangi iyo ni weakness point wa create ariku itanya Meru town yothuruke huko ukona almost everywhere
kwa kitu Mwangi
number 2 kweja culture yarira wangia na disagreement na gintu fulani weta street ine point number 1 tairi point number 2 kiberiti ukona kiu ikyo tugwitana na beto nande remember ana baiba utegora tukuthithia iba utega brother wawe Jerry sister we bara ule munene na baba ngiba nini ba utega finance bill yagea problem maguta jaitia twana tuito utega tukona bwa thura culture yetu as a country nandi no gena disagreement ugetambio street ine no geta nai na Mwangi you see so nandi yete fashion unfortunately how fashionable tumban na I think to some extent ikubatinya kuthigwo sheria oro titaikairo gwita demonstration na sira kinya Mwangi otebati weta junandi no it is really sad no nere the other day supermarket yetu aja Meru town iki muntu Mwangi na supermarket iwe kumuntu Mwangi antu baraba gwitangwe ku 8% ni ana ba Meru baraba guraku ni antu bai
ba Meru
na thayu kumuntu Mwangi utigutinda kumenya kinya kethira ana bo baiku aritingwe bo baiku uturitinda umenya tha ku antu ba go shop ku kwengu nuntu na ino thurire ni thirikari ikugitate ikumunte Mwangi na mantu jaya yatari Kenya mwantu ja muno jatari Meru jatari ku and it is unfortunate na hiyo nkuria atiri could it be that ana baba secondary schools nandi kana ana baba bali grade 10 9 10 kuiteria could it be that socialization process yao ina kasoro could we blame also ourselves could we blame the system that nan to tena channel imbega chiai chia kure chia nonto ana baba raidiri dormitory yeah if true if indeed baba iditi o university konania it shows kwegento barateta ira it shows chukuru yu kurari na issues na tiji antuku yu kwina kurari mimbi na disagreement over one thing or the other ira tutamenya ira tukamenya could be ana baba batathikirwa na bangi batathikirwa but was it necessary that nandi we kill our colleagues so yento kwenda tigira antu tuthugania onto ni mbonete create demonstration ija thithua mbonete the future is challenging it is extremely challenging antu bakaraga uchenjia nonto gwaka you can take a lot of time gwaka gintu nyomba yeje umbo yuki a lot of time kumeaka
very true
months kana nyamwanka lakini kumetharia
dake
1 minute
very true
ukutharia
very true
na uwe ana baraba kuthithia nare no ukona twithithia street ine no ntunyaru jugo getu demonstration I can tell you 100% without fear of contradiction imonki withira njireni jukithagia property imonki withira njireni so even as we also condemn them can we also do holistic analysis ya batu as a society as a Kenyan society to Julie are doing the right thing no ntwana babari nije ibonere ngari kidwara Nairobi was it Githurai no ntubu in demonstration bone ngari na bone na scarf ya UNDA then you ban so kundate mbika itu gwitana ntikuga
So
I'm not blaming anybody.
collective responsibility.
I am not blaming anybody. But in this course kwenda tukiriria cycle ini ni chia utega psychosocial support kinyaba hatwi tujiita kamkutano.
Yes.
Kana njeri utije ana bara ya wota kinyeja bara lakini o mbugo ore akuye muno.
Bariko.
Jaba bara ithiri. Then ngina no we the bara street in the other. Now what we speak in even in the house. Tumenyere muno tutikayekere hana negativity. No tugairo yenyomba leonde. Uri ari negative about the school, negative about the institutions, negative about the government. So at the end of the day, mwana huu, you know,
igachoka mind ne mwana.
Yeah.
Kuna kiuri muntu amba kusida akituri hapa director. Who appoint the ministers?
The president, of course.
Kutithirwa kwi sawa igitara kuonekana kuna negligence yeti kutuika president Kenya akajukieta gari mibira kubuta minister u kethrate kuba kutango yewe
but you tebuta minister kana anybody else just because chukuru ekoyana ndio bute minister chukuru ekoya how
no it's because
first of all get you know mbiro
yes
minister no policy sindio
yes
then bureau ministers kutena directors then nyambiro directors kuna wale responsible na ndio wewe na si uko na watu wale walikuwa ground leo paraba kujuka baucho ya news na ule utuike hiyo kale na problem na news na u mashinani withre tha chiogoro thai tv enu na ni utumetere to watch withre mbuga ni PCM ino so do we sack you immediately so to call you kinyabara reporters on the ground anything we sack you Jerry si useme on the camera so kana tukeja kuona kwina news item itireta bogora ure police this media house kuga we start by sacking you. We don't even ask reporter, we don't even ask candidates, we just start by sacking the
no, you should ask first.
Yes.
Okay. Aya, kuna mtu kuwa in agreement, we must open a honest conversation as parents. The don't care attitude among our youth is becoming a silent time bomb. We must step in early, guide and work with them before it's too late. Mtu gwitwa Georgie Zedi. Then kuna mtu kumbira arito Muthoni. Arimra, good evening. Kindly ask Mheshimiwa, why is the KK government risking the lives of Kenyans? Why are they allowing the quarantine center to be built here? Na uko na maswali mingi ya quarantine Mheshimiwa, sijui sasa. Sijui kuna kinyonge wetwa Faith arua, why is the government risking our lives or lives for the Kenyans by putting a quarantine in Laikipia for such dangerous disease like Ebola?
Ito alili mantojo.
Yeah, so ni mingi. I think tulikimbia mapema. Okay. Aya, kati tunambere kutoka kutumia SMS yako muthikiri na uthagiri Meru TV, rutera Facebook Meru TV Kenya, rutera YouTube Meru TV Kenya. No tugeta nambere kutoka tukiwata biori byaku SMS comment ira wene opinion yaku tionde itukusibalio na tugeta nambere kwithirwa tukiwata. Katuje ruterene rwa fuel crisis director. Ikuthiri tukwina fuel crisis na ndiguru yonde ndira inukite imantu jam. Na ituronete solutions ni that wawa but Kenyans feel that Niaka solutions utari enough for them. Na nande kiubikira mtu aguturia kana Kenya baguturia kimwake. Igitarira kurari na fuel crisis ini yako directly. President William Ruto atari ndene ndeguro Kenya. The number 2, who is the Deputy President, Professor Kithure Kindiki, no wari Kenya. Na antubara bangi be expected crisis ira yoka muntura wabatera guchumirio mbere kwari na mantuja kana kwari mantuja kana kutua solution ni Deputy President. He was nowhere to be found. In fact, he was at Rudini doing some other things. And the Kenyans feel like it can deputy at the power, carry power, not to go to Kanimasias, but on Kanabakia instant. Yeah, when on to Keda president, yeah, they know about the regular president that time. So I don't know. You are
so is a problem reduction ire thithiru ne nini kana ni problem so that menyoranga chokia. Is a problem reduction yenyi kana the problem is that deputy president ya atari.
Nade
what is the problem? What is
ara dena yaumirire the issue ara yaumirire kabisa igitarira andu babetro karande kwaria na baumara kwaria na stakeholders but transport and the CSs uonera kumira confusion fulani bawa togwitikanire 1 2 3 and then andu transport no bawa atutibu togwitikanire tio bado tukuete 1 2 3 so itakuwa ni kama but now antu bawa maybe ingekuwa ni deputy mwenyewe alikuja akahandle hii maneno yote ingekuwa ni confusion yote.
Let me tell you in a school setup ikudhara kuna prefect,
yes,
ikudhara kuna captain, ikudhara kuna teacher on duty, no rekongi deputy and teacher na head teacher isetup ira nkuru kugera mbuga no heriku kantu kaumira kate ambairie na ara ki head teacher you see ete ambairie ki head teacher no ntoka kinya na arua like tureka nya story ya ari munandi kire ko teacher tu na arua re ukagena disagreement ukagena igambara yaku na arua wambiria Supreme Court
no
wambairia yaku
naande koti ingi
ukambairia koti indi kenda koti enderema ugitate
witeguru
witakire uyeguru na ndi ukambiria Supreme Court Supreme Court yekaremo no kaigua boterere ano judgment yo etabu na nio wambiririe na itingo geta ko murungu na ndote ange what I'm saying is this opposition narrative kwenda ni ira gachagua thithirie na ara impeached kugeria ku compete with the end of state. Deputy President Professor Kithure Kindiki na ari na muchemanio irunduni na no je tikande gurwe ingi ngugi no chiendereaga na ari nao na thithiria meeting, although I'm not supposed even to talk about this na thithiria muchemanio na announce by the way inya TV anu mbuga ibona nirie na announce uga muchemanio jo ayo aina ju akajo arakisha nontwe netete muchemanio kulingana na ora baria na president William Ruto.
Yes.
Now we are kwanza we are doing using computers virtual meeting nonto president yare ome you remember?
Yes.
Then babake kinyabo nugurikana iko aingi communication na movement itari that easy kinye kuthithia physical what meetings none nya muchemanio jiro thithua omuzo tuko because muthenya utindigitate nonto kwa ingwa njire ingwa atike ingirwa antu bamwe ruguriro bangi it was locked down demoro baraba kuendeka minister kana bangi technical team bali one side of the city bangi bali on the other side but luckily enough kuina this days kuina njira cia kuthithia michemanio virtually so deputy president did all that but oyo ndakwira deputy president akaigira kirimanto fulani na ruiro chaka backfire kwa tu kana ndi tukuremo kuona solution chapati wikwa kiriu president
yes.
At that time president inari atariku so tuende chikira ina kwagmaya nene mono but the deputy president I can confirm ari deeply no na mjone jo ambere jo aremere jo ari deep kirimantu yeu kiri all those discussions and in the discussions then unda kuira kuitana na stinges kinya uwa njoka ukenda kinya uwa iminte tenjaja management ire riguru kikombe kiki yagwa tibuito thitanga ukiri top management untu ibo amba guchwirwa kwina ikyo tu ministers barea ministers gyo barea iketumi technical teams iria pambe ba engage kabisa ba engage kureme kware mana ndiri kuika ikwerevo wingi kware marevo wingi kugite ate twendera umunde deputy president kethira ka kirire kana karegere ka kirire kwa tuika rais akija kutari na solution but remember President William Ruto aikinya Kenya already equal in a solution. Now the man behind that solution is none other than the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. But they are ministers, they are kuna ministers, kuna attorney general, kuna team wingi chionde, kuna PSs, kuna Ntubai Energy Regulatory Authority. Na tiku nande ati deputy, Deputy President Kindiki is not a mnyapara. Is not muntu mbusi. Ni muntu wa mitaratara na muntu kumenyora thirikari iranagwa. Ti muntu kwenda kuchionania. Ti muntu everything ngirori to me no. Uwe ngo kuwe complain. President William Ruto kuwe complain but ndera Kenyans atiri even ndera Marians yoju. Deputy President not in the kurune rayu. Deputy President behind the scenes made meetings, several meetings na make sure kukugena Witakan area na announced actually that time we announced and then doteka kiri your Facebook and Deputy President na kinye kwa no utekena ntinda kopere ya gutuma mbuga 3 hours before na andikire uga we are almost uliangalia
yes
sasa waje kuangalia
no niliangalia
almost there daiwe etete mathiko kinango and kauga almost there nyango gato mantu amburagia we almost there where relax because already alikuwa maliza hii maneno so kuma president yethira arethire no arikiria na ara Mombasa so kethira KDP aremero neo mwanka president yethira already mugomo yoenderete to accuse but for now credit to the entire team led by the president no ntukinya president yaina hau ona ari kinyaro ari ene ruru kote igagwa rimwe bakira bakauga letters ngo katwite to consult
yes
othayire nyama tatu operators onazba othayire bakiuga tuendelea mshemanio bageta ku consult no ntunya matatu onas and operators kinyabo iba consult their members aya babangi bathirikari ministers PSs and the technical team gwa kinyenya obageta kugitate ku consult who do you think they were consulting? They were consulting from within and without president and the deputy.
Okay.
Yeah, so ingine ni siasa tu ya wale wamezoea.
So you want to tell them that the deputy president is still in power?
They know, they even know. People know. Anto Ivaiji, he have a smart deputy president, my friend. Now you know the problem hapo compare deputy president Professor Kindiki ro kumenya ule thirikari irana gona what it means to be the principal assistant to the president po mo compare na Gachagua ure utamenya how government is run ure utamenya system je thirikari ure wale ambule so you want to get ambule from the deputy president we have now you not the ambule will only be with the other one yeah.
Okay. Yes. I think Anto aberekirite kuona akiaria and now that he did talk that's why they perceive
actions speak louder than words. He spoke very loudly when he said almost there. Almost there. And within 2-3 hours we were there. You don't have to every time hapana.
Okay.
No.
Kile tuliberetea bara kile maguta bana director katu nkurikiri kimwe ya kwamba okay they did what they did
yes,
na solution ira yonekana na kwa tweka maguta yatena mirora kwa batere but ya remain the same.
What do you mean mirora kwa batere?
As in not expected, you know, they expected that after all that then maguta ya kero ya kumaraje na man 198 ira yare or something and then lakini kwa tweka diesel nyo ekena mana 10 shillings kinyeke da business entre kumina miringi na 10 shillings baadaye but do you think ara interview bile mwankira thai ikintu itimbaden kiri mwananchi kana kiri Kenyans.
It is a burden. Burden ine mono kiri mwananchi na even the president knows na I pronounce it even the deputy president na I pronounce it ni burden ine mono kiri mwananchi maguta au jari nandi but remember they are our own making. Actually Kenya we are a bit lucky that mbere matu na enough supply ya maguta. No tekere the last regime kwiro kwa kinyete watuka gutena maguta. Kinya in Africa some countries ni kuration maguta. Na bangi bakauga you work from home as we speak now. But Kenya non to boa G to G arrangement at least we guaranteed of good supply ya maguta. Ndoere kuruwa na Iran na US ni affected pricing ya maguta worldwide. Kenya kigwa affect worldwide.
Yes.
And therefore maguta aujare utumi mtu menya kuga ati timbanden. Nonto diesel, petrol, diesel re itia industry chion Iran wana diesel.
Yes.
Therefore cost of commodities ikaiti. Na unfortunately nonto ituonete ka trend ndigurui into byareke gwitia kinya ndoere ethira maguta je nama most likely into bite nama kairi
inakuanga hivyo.
That is the problem that we have na ikyo consumer protection ibati kwithire reo nonto maguta jara itugo expect maguta ja kenama with the time ndoere titura forever utindoero ya forever kinya wandu one gitirate nethirire ko ethira wandu one ethirire wandu wana tunji athirire kinya je ka gitate actually we are eating good nini lakini nyando ekathira na aru amenye supply ira disrupted tombo thiri ya meri iri thatu bandu tutire jara tubati ku ikuija but my fear is that commodities price no ireka kuitata kuinama na neo mbuga thirikari kathuganie seriously kuona ura tukathithia mitigation ya commodity supplies cost of living etikaitie kairi but maguta kethira gutina subsidy kethira thirikari itira nekire tax ire maguta tuigura much more than that. Everyone na comment in this country even in opposition by they know they know iba yuma ati maguta keda intervention ya thirikari chaende jaiguru riri na the president has said and Nigeria regulatory authority has said so what we pray ni one order restored between US and Iran bagi the ceasefire tuone kethira furu ya maguta kaire ikomba ku stabilized number 2 kuigua president na kung'ang'ana kaire kwa oil refinery in Mombasa kenda kinyagwa kwina kathina ya kama maguta twithire in the country twina supply kana twina stock yumbo turani nya 6 months no problem twina ndi we don't have fuel turani 3 months but together twina buffer like 6 months I think tomba kumaninji kinya prices ya kwa na global shocks jayu yeah so I think thirikari ne gutegera but nige tanto bakiuga bakiuga inyapo politicians bakiuga ati thirikari ne ite fuel levy yonde thirikari ne ite tax
25% 7%
you know these things publicity kuthithia siasa tujia kwenda ukeni antu it is very easy nonto MP uyu ukuja na mashinani akauga ati ageta mbunge kulita fuel levy yeah it is the same MP ukuira wananchi ndeta mbunge kubutetera buikiro barabara fulani lami no kuita ukuye akera wananchi ambite mbunge ngabutetere barabara irathukire jana ndi unfortunate unaona hizi hii toethi tichi onde the same fuel levy no egachua no eo ikeja kulipia barabara ireku iu so there is no way thirikari umba kuga nandi at tax chionde je maguta gitata
Citaitwa.
Ikija kulitaitwa njeri. Ile shinda tutaiweza pata inchi. Tutija kwaria for the next 30 years. Why? Because taitwa kite barabara nyingi muno. Barabara ore onde waka kwina aspect na de maintenance. Ya barabara iriku iu. So uritambesha uchi onde. Kutweke there is no money for maintenance. There is no money for new roads. So mbere maitu ina jechi onde gitete. Idire. Yeah? Now that's why ukuona Kenya team ile matatu it was very understanding. No ndunya iba kuona. Uraigwa fora baba matatu bakiuga rita taxi yonde ya maguta. Because they also need a better road. You need fuel, you need better roads. But you know, politician can say anything, and especially the Okwenda Kura.
But I have a question on. I have 3 questions on that.
Yes. On fuel.
Yes, on fuel. The first question, people were asking, Tururua maintenance levy.
Fuel levy.
Yes. Does it mean that Njiraiti kaita maintain our before?
Before what?
Those other years, because fuel levy yaitia between 2022 mpaka madi tumefikia sahi hiyo 25 so people may ask kako kumaanisha barabara kaita maintain offer before kana what was not happening.
Number 1. Tuchoke kemo kana.
Okay.
Number 1. Igitara President Uhuru Kenyatta. The last 5 years. Barabara chionde ya suspended the barabara jiaka wa Kenya. Na ile chiaki. Nyamiru ino ndo mboni barabara ile yaki the last 5 years. Ile Uhuru Kenyatta atakinya kinyana kuguru kwa Meru. Mboni barabara ile yaki. And even if 1 or 2 or 3 chiakirwe. Pending bill ile William Ruto ethire ya runde sector. It was running into billions. Contractors bondi bariba komatoka barabarene. Na batiganirie barabara, and you know that contractors bondi they and run away from the roads because contractors batari pending bills jam billions of shillings. So we thirikari no mwankeri ndi chwanjira iria ikangeti some revenue mberema irie those contractors kenda bachoka mbio bachoka ngugine. Then as you speak now kwina barabara nyingi chiambire chinjeru kinyoge ta gito aja gitoro gitoro gitimene gwitia nari gwitia barabara yu geto tha aja gitoro mantu bare ari bate kwenda kunoga inya muntu arari thimune atu ate kwenda inya gwitangira undi ne ona anjeri kwanza wono ntu no kundiru na ntu mono rujo mbere yu jangu gine wite ya muri Meru Polytechnic just opposite yo barabara yu ititiu wone ngugire kuritwa au kaza new road. You see wete timawe guru nare wone barabara iri ku rami na kinyaja uju kwenu barabara ere tuire chumbura ere kore road antu be romantu ja kore yarombere kura tangu jandi itarwakwa president nejire ugana ndi tugaka barabara wantu kantu bate gwitikia ntato yu kinyandi batazo bate gwitikia. Last week contractor no kimya giguthira contractor naretere site ekore but imbijana ndantu bate gwitikia mwankarire in 1 week or 2 weeks ngoge yongwe kambiria bagite ate
bone
bameone itakinoruaja kinorua hapa area mbua kabarabara karagate na rami ni uga kamwe katwire na uange kundeira mi everywhere. So you chionde iri to na mbesha iriku mbesha iji nandi na economy ure ukura na uro kongera trunk roads ukethira turari na 6000 kilometers of tarmac road in the country tukongera 6000 yu igakinya 10000 iu iri mini ate ija nyombeji nandi kwa tuika nyombeji itena ngoroba rujo tukamyongera ngoroba maintenance ya nyombe kariu na maintenance ya na ngoroba ni iri kwire iguru ikongereka so ora tukuongera na barabara no tukugitate no maintenance kugitate
ikongereka nini mtakoria tire bana director.
Yes.
now that kulikuwa na crisis na crisis iko affect kila mtu na ni ukata across na wataka wabone kuona ni crisis irari ni tekera kidogo thirikari maybe itikiomba kurungika maybe some of the maintenance first ichokeria nto cost of living yena na kidogo then maybe after ndo ya thira.
So let me ask you. Okay, ukarungika maintenance ya nyombeje for 3 months. Sawa? Washi mahali itakuwa na crack, you don't attend. Then we after 3 months. Nyombe ukamethiro wale ore rika ukethire kwa depreciated. Barabara ukauga na ndi na arua ati nkumeka decision to maintain barabara for 3 months. That is highly responsible. Na no ningo inge barabara ningo inge buru ugete tumira na inyete gutumirwa kinya kithaka ukarigiria kiuma
kikauma
kija mwankona utethire nyamerie metire jire kuru is no way menya ore gutongana uthina igutonya
abutire sigutonya.
Yes, no uthina igutonya. That's why ndiguru imuire itina trunk roads inene ikigwa by the tugita ukaigwa ja expressway ikithithu inawe that can generate mbeca yongwa ja maintenance no tutukeja kuga expressway area ya Nairobi ati kuma na aru eterewa utaigwa kuri antu bagu eterewa
yes
lakini batachokere bakira because ukeja kuga eterewa na aru imentino kuma ke cheka my friend nindi boja gwitikia
natija katheuka buru
kabisa. I'm telling you. So ahora tugutonga
no butuku maisha ya gutaitia
no man maisha ya gutaitia nika tubatie nayo kuthia productivity na kuthia other policies cia gutetheria especially the workers patika umie mono tika ku advocate higher taxes no I am not tika advocate taxes but I'm advocating at least twina an environment whereby mwananchi atinyirwe ni taxes as much twina productive economy, yeah, as opposed na consumption economy. Non tukira tutwiri in this country ni consumption economy tutikuthia productive economy. What am I saying? Talanta Center wako Nairobi na Arua, once it is done it can generate mbeca ciayo ja commenting nambi now you can even borrow money from there. You see Bomas International Convention Center wali wiki kujura ikari generate mbeca ciayo so mbeca iria ya juma wa thirikari geta commenting nare yunande itenao iteta commenting nare in any case kayumba kuithira ri entity ya guchokia mbeca imwe kire mbio kire exchequer tukwerano barabara hii kwa expressway you see you can generate dams itu waka
nate barabara ikan generate
because tugena ndija expressway ingi kongereka it will generate money for you to use, you pay.
People are paying, yes.
Therefore mbeca iria turatumaira ku maintain tugena ndija Thika super highway ikari ikekirwo expressway mbeca iria muno turatumaira ku maintain although kukethera kwina tikaumba gwikira expressway waga na aria barabara iri ingi iri itikwa ititonde itikuriwa but you be able to generate money to run that road. Therefore mbeca iria tumairwo au nandi no jiete kungi mwananchi akareka kuongerwa i tax but ura gutwire Kenya kutwire na consumption ukagitwa mbeca ukaria VAT kende fund man to jo into beyond the BI bia common good. So tukomba kuthithia serious infrastructure in this country. Infrastructure ile yongwa ikan generate incomes for the country. Income huu ya generated igeta ku service common goods ja security ja roads, you see,
yes,
ja health ira nandi na nya health by the way we can even monitor our health ikatuika inyo tukuthithia ira itagwa health tourism kana what, yeah, watu ikatuina premier health facilities which can also generate revenue. So kira gikwendeka Kenya na ikyo President William Ruto kuona akiuriro muno it needs a courageous leader. It needs a very, very transformative leader. Leader cha William Ruto urokeja na projects, mega projects. Ati kwenda kumenya kethira at the start ikethira jiona upinzani ategete at the end of the day in benefit ile kwikeja. Jerry, you remember rĩrĩa Talanta stadium ya Mbairia no igegwe kerere nyingi muno, but right now ngakwoni ambition ngi ndaringite icho. You look at it now, kerere imeenda chini. Are Bomas no igegwe siasa bakiaria kerere mingi dai Bomas I mean ke kujura as you speak now. Conferences ile ikeja Kenya international conferences, biashara zitapanuka hiyo Nairobi. Number 2, revenue ile kan generated kukurukira Bomas International Convention Center. A convention center ira tuita America, ira tuita Malaysia na Egypt. It will be here. So that facility onka yomba ku generate revenue ikais mbandani ya Kenyans kinyamba 5-10%. Kwa tuikate mu Kenya akiwe teri aitambesha kenda ile ya security, aitambesha kenda ile ya refund education, kwa tuika kwina infrastructure chirio ija ule ugo andiki aja ujustundie umba kuitogeka ng'ombe nja, kwa tuika ugwetigwere ugeterwo rero arwa mushara kenda uthithia shopping enja tigo ugeterwo rero mushara kenda urira mwana fees, kwa tuika kwina ng'ombe nja yuka mweria rikathithia nya shopping na gwoka ya fees yae. But au nyuma nontu bokwaga foresight na nontu nyabo gwa bokureta radical changes in the country. Mwananchi no enkora funda everything, but give it 2-3 years under William Ruto. All those infrastructure hii keja through hii reku na hii keja through the infrastructure fund era created, they will be able to fund half of the budget of the country such that nande mwananchi no wakagitate no tukinyambe shituromba ome NSSF tutura kuria 200 shillings Jerry kinyamwe kurura nturene anda chama ile chiao patita 200 per month. Some do much more than that, but nande NSSF no kona tutura 200 shillings. That's why ukuona Uganda our economy yetu kinya yetu by far pakija kuambiria gwaka story buildings you know 50 you know 100 stories in Nairobi. Nontu babe na mbesha jako university ariku beja wake baka businesses, international businesses, international firms ikombore nyomba u Nairobi. Nontu ibo kuona Nairobi is a premier destination. Ja kombora ba make revenue ba make profit, serious profit. Uma profit yu ba chokie ndeguro yai yo nontu president wa ethira akenda trillion imwe kana ethira akenda bilioni igana cia gufandi barabara fulani antu akoromba IMF, antu akoromba World Bank, akaromba aja building yao under that you know nini investment plan bakaromba ariku kile imbesha ciao ja retirement GNSSF yao aromba ariku ara ete ake barabara dirikari generating bia kare ariku is like getting from this pocket and funding the other one. But right now, Patu Kenya, I am seeing it is a sorry state of affairs that for the last many years, the Rikari ku ichieja itadide radical change ya kuleta mega infrastructure, mega investments. In any case, what we have been doing, nego fund institutions chiongwa ite kuomba kuirungamira turari na parastatos nyingi sana Kenya eji parastato ite kuirungamira you get money from exchequer ukanenkira parastato they spend next year again. So parastato iji kutegeri kona can we manage all this igatuika to ile related can we manage them na tukai model ule chiomba ule ikomba ku generate revenue kuirungamira na ku invest. So Kenya and William Ruto now and Professor Kithure Kindiki is becoming an investment country whereby Kenya the public itself iguchangia kile investment yeji. Yes, mbiji for the start ikurari tumesikia pain. We have had pain, but we are going to laugh very soon.
At long last. Now, can we say that because okay, kubantu babengi bakiaria bawa president yatorira arenda bottom up. Bakawa little did we know that bottom up no mana kukunika gikombe kiu nywite o kiu kunywira rwetu ruraregetika, then the other side inakuja huko juu. But at the same time, can we say that maybe president can invest it mnoke long term things like jota Kenya baadaye rather than hii ya leo na kesho?
I think you have already ukuoria kiuria no ichokeria. Oria kiuria no ichokeria in this way. President William Ruto as a transformative leader na aria thomete system yetu ya siasa na economy yetu ya Kenya mono. Remember yes na twira minister na twira deputy president na manjo yonde na gititata na jonete. So president wonde athurwa Kenya ejaga menke mbere tano kugwiria antu ukabagwiria ukabakenia hara kwina conflict ukavoid nuje housing. President Kibaki na ari na component housing.
Yes.
Uhuru Kenyatta na ari neo. Na ukinyamo uga nuiga gwa Ruto akiuga kuyo amuririe ugore utena nyomba na nyande na nyomba imbito kuurirwo u barekana nai.
Nawe.
William Ruto no akwija auga hapana, I will visit. Nitikwenda kuona slums in my country. Millennium Development Goals, one of them ni housing. I have to implement this housing. So William Ruto, as you're saying, kathirite mirandi iria transformative iria long term. Na ikyo kuona antu pakigia na wasiwasi, lakini mwankana ni antu bambiritie kuelewa what he has been trying to do. Na iketha ise for him kuona na second term kuthithia na kucement na legacy yawe. Wija muntu ja Uhuru Kenyatta first time alikuja akaanza gituma keingia ambiria kuthithira twita self preservation and he truly did self preservation. Then the second time there was nothing to build on. Kuma ukethirerwe siasa kuma ukaumira State House. President William Ruto akujukio nene bottom up. Anto bate kuenda kueleza exactly imbio yongwa. Na remember bottom up baba le opposition dai iba komenya imbi ba ugirite no nturire ukauga kwa ke thoko. Remember thoko iba obetano yanto ba
okay.
Yes. Obetano yobe iboto ku na ibomba ile baingi at the bottom of the pyramid. Uro kwendia mboga. Yeah? Uro kwendi kwashi. Agakirwa thoko njega indongi ina refrigeration. Ure intobia ku utiugana ndi ati nonto bitendwa na arua. Da komi gukinya nyanya ciangirie mwe kanji ndia magana jaire nonto ikathuka. Muntu jo gutu muthugana iria buru Kenya eje. Refrigeration. We didi refrigerator ya gwika into. Bibi eje Kenya matajiri. William Ruto aria kathoko jie na refrigeration. Ure ugomba gwika into bia kwa ukenda kwendero. As you speak now, Kaip, County Aggregation Park, Eroire, Nujene Ujuri. Ugeta no, as you speak now, refrigerators nini ziko huko. Kinyenge, Kinyenge aja, I think Keberichi and Timawi, kujuji aji and advertise ni MCA. Itongere tuwe ni Mwendaridha, kijana wa Meru. No litete ngugi Kenya eje mwangaga tambulika kiri Small and Medium Enterprises Authority as a CEO. Na advertise the ijeri cha ku operationalize that na ndi mantu jareje matajiri jauna ndi ija kwa sex nembio wetage thokone ira William Ruto awaka Mumeru chiena kinya section ira bombothire kamuchemano babu bau ba traders bau kana ikundi bingi ina section ingi AIT ikiri computers harapu keta ule ukwenda kwethira wina nyamwana uku bageta au bakathithia baga access internet baga access kinyamantu ja money market and the rest they can make money there yeah mwekuru ule bottom kagin na kirinya section iromba gwitaka nenkera mwana akio akamonkeria au antoae tugwereano iu nio bottom up. Number 2 kiri housing project in aspect in bottom up. How igoro turanenkanaira contract ya turathithagia site handover aria nkubu ya murandi jua over 980 million 9 I think 87 million, that's almost a billion ikwa injected yara ura kaguru ituranenkanire igoro jumete kiri housing ni ote President Ruto na Deputy Kindiki
yes
1 billion and riri antu baraitana gwa I got something kwina nyomba ero umba kurea 600,000 ukanengero nyomba then rent iro rea 3,000 omenare you pay this rent 3,000 over a certain period then nyomba kaya
yeko
dai itukurea rent lakini ara nkurea rent kutire nyombere kaya
yeko
yakwa so ukona nandi instead ya ntubetu bara bakuendia thokone bara benjua kari bara barikire informal sector antu abeto kana makao jatibui nonto ne human rights it is everybody's right to have decent housing nabo bathithirwa urei umba kugura ku access nyomba now dirikanene one ID one home therefore utumba kugura imwe Kisumu urenge Nairobi urenge Meru ugurire kethe wabanga Meru ugurire Meru that's it nondu no thirikari tikwenda muntu ejagura space aguraria ukambiria kuenderia bangi it is discouraging that.
Okay.
Number 2 if you ukateka that 1 billion a project jera nkugira kaje mwenda tu ira igwako aja uju mwenda ntu ni gwako na mbijibo mionete youth ndaka ari pamami ababaraba gwakare every Saturday they are getting money besha ariko kwirotwa igitarakira ito murungi kwirotwa trainete plumbers baba inge mono I wish program yeru nendereire kwirotwa trainete masonry antu waka na maiga carpenters baba inge sana ria twari na strong Meru youth service those people ndai batikungana ibaba gwaka nyomba iriko paka wona mbesha chiao bona mbesha they go and invest and am happen on to baba inge baraba gwaka already bagwita no bakagia na information ukaigwa muntu au agwaka na already natonya tekimbo mayangu na kanyomba ariko na kwarokitro kanyomba ka wau so that is bottom up so tikugati thirikari ne avoided bottom up hapana ugeta last mile electricity connectivity Meru iji aki project ya stima kinyana ndauma kungwa kirina kumbona giena kumbira the adjacent one uria ku connect so many houses na stima therefore stima iria mbugetoneka yonagwa na matajiri right now thirikari ni itiro ya connect njachi yetu na stima nonto stima na ndi turiuga is a necessity.
Yes it is.
Yes
it is.
So bottom up is working.
Betekiri go joki kire dini kanini tu bede ta break nonto ikula tujuki ka break kire au ari manto ya affordable housing ndena bire piele tire kembere affordable housing ira mtu akurira ewo wa mtu no arire na at the end of the day numberekewe. What if another government ekeya maybe in 2032 na 2020 whatever but ekeya kwatuka ni kuigwa miundo ya public itibatere kwa nyumba yaiji kana murango jo maybe yotibatere kwendela what happens to that person mwenye alinunua nyumba pale. Number 2 itukumenya thai antu bara bonthe bena payslip ibethera bakiitwa a certain amount to contribute for the affordable housing. But now the question comes, people expected bakaitwa mbeca maybe for 1 year tia kenyomba. Then now that antu ibo utonya nyomba iji na nyomba iji of course mtura utonya no akurira in one way or the other, either rent na akurira yo gukuira iba expected then gutwika antu no batendere yako ikire payslip mbetire igiture tia mbere na tioka mirandi ire mbere na nyomba ira cia mbere gutonywa then ira paraba utonya no ciendere waka nyomba inge antu batige kuito payslip yo. Can that be possible?
That can be very, very possible. Very possible. Now, Kenyans should be happy. First of all, tukugitwa mbesha, itukuona na raiguita. That's point number 1. Known to Kenya, the in a construction site all over. And I am telling you, in this country, in this all the counties, is a construction site. That's point number 1. Point number 2. Tuendele na discussion hii tukuendelea nayo such that ora tukongrow this cake imbugire mega project ile thithua kenda jiresen banden ya mwananchi kire gufandi thirikari kire gufandi exchequer although tikakwire gwa atwika mwananchi ate fund exchequer but lowering the burden. So kinya that argument iwe okuga that is very, very possible. Nonto kwegwa kinya gutwike nandi nyomba ira chionde is self sustaining. Yeah, so ijora witoka romba loan bank. Maybe ukagura ngari ya matatu. Yeah, ukale ngari ile na ni kuona mbesha. You know ngari ijirete lazima urombe mbesha. This one can buy
another car.
The other one. So it is very possible na inkuona ni route tuiterete au. Wayamba inande this program ikomba gui sustain. Yongwa. Adike we sustain and tuone how we can drop we can do another mechanism ya kuthija resource mobilization. So that is doable. There is kingi kira uriria kambere.
Hata mimi kwa nimesahau. Okay, antu baba kura nyomba yu kibara ya ugo kwa mtu na kure at a certain place time maybe nyumbere ke ya kwa yeku. In case kwa tuka kuna thirikari inge.
Oh yeah, thirikari inge keja. Yes. Thirikari no thura thirikari. Thirikari mwananchi uthura thirikari. Na thirikari uti thirikari thithagia against the will of mwananchi. So ara nyombera yaki title ni go processwa. So titles will be processed. Ja thirikari, ja that project. Is like a school. Skuru ne thirikari na ina title yai.
Ayo.
Kinya thirikari inge keja. Ite meakuga na ndiga tuithindiro title yetu na nkanire. So na still thirikari iteja kutharia. Jara thithitwe. Igachagua akinkuigua akiuga na bakalonzo ati bathurwa bakeja batesha bakeja bate affordable housing bau akibombigitwe kinya William Ruto re aromba kura na inya Kibaki na kinya Uhuru Kenyatta ntaigua akiuga waigua ndeja barabara ere thika super nkatharia ntaigua William Ruto akiuga ntaigua William Ruto akiuga waigua ndeja nkatharia anything muntu uga bwandura I will build on this and this and this and this. Na kire akuona ya gite bui toe ne achoke kire wananchi. Ka public participation day William Ruto uma mwaka ya 2032. Nondu iron kuona ile akauma 2032.
According to you.
Auma 2032 le ka public participation ye kathirira au.
No.
Thirikari renge ke after 2032 ethire kiendelea kuendelea kienda kuomora nyomba ino ntubwa title itithithia public participation ni ulia wananchi bete are mboma yangu bete are ura mwenda antu bete antu bau ba na nyomba yu you know bau na nyomba ya Kenyans babete ndiare babere na ndika tukuona batu tuomore nyomba ichi enu itha ati thirikari iwe agachagua iwe kethire keje ndi ntumero ntunya 2032 Ruto auma kindi kino okajukia. So people are okay, don't worry. Nobody will touch. I'm telling you, kinyonge jete ngoni for bid kutoa ndo thingithia murandi ju bongo ibaije that is a mega project a transformative project ere oteringithia kira umba kuthithia ijo ona ndi ukuja na ijo uweja na suggestion ni atatumba kuthithia tukanyia payslip kugitwa na tukafandi murandi juiku
jo
uwake ende kuga na nkeja ruju mbuge egote housing forget about that.
Okay.
You know, if ugeta mwendantu narua, ugeta kianjai narua, ukethira antu bo bakire agwa mbeche chia that 1 week or that 1 month. Arafu amba idwe ibete construction workers bare. Bete bare pa bete ma QS jau, bete ma architect jau yo nuntu itiza o you know ecosystem. QSs, engineers, plumbers, babangi banjara iba bete ntukwemwe ubere na ndi batu tukwenda tuthurwa twathurwa ri turekana na housing unto muthia kethira ina hara na nyuki ama tugita na gukuiko gwako
lakini ba payslip bakarega.
Let me tell you ugwe uro payslip ugwe kana unyanchugire if I get away ya kuona uningo changia 1000 shillings ayuthi bairi badatu bone ngogera ure I will do that 100 times
But that's
because
many people doesn't think like that.
Because we have a big problem unemployment in this country.
Yes, we have.
No kono ina kioski gyaku aja town kana tugera mwandantu kote nduka ile ndega itio uketha wena kioski yao kana inyo uketha wena kioski uweka kauru ichapati ukuruga ugetia kwendia kana ugari kana chai kana uchuru ugeta kwendia au kwena construction site only if I can contribute to once ayuthi bathatu bana batano pedre bareare bali wa mujara jo weekly tuge ngiri pande an example that's 6000 edre mo kurure ora monda irio jurwa muri 500 unge amuri 500 unge amuri 1000 no wati wa ngiri chao ithatu I'll be okay and many Kenyans are like that.
Okay.
Na te mean by the Kenyans are you know I think ne approach etejire boega ejaru ruiro antu baraga kuitano boega but over and again by the siasa yuji ya nini if you want to agree with me ni jinyanyi already are intense mbere kinyake opposition as you speak now siasa yu nigitete ate ijiete already akari mbere tewikari na haru.
Okay.
Yes.
Ibaga sana mutegeri wa Meru TV mutegeri wa Thiri FM mugethora kuma ruga mitambo na tugacokera kagita katekura ya tukunde kombe kerwe ita nambere kuthwa gitutumira SMS ciaku rutero Facebook Meru TV Kenya rutero YouTube Meru TV Kenya na wenda kuthwa gitutumira SMS kuna namba ide screen yaku 0748918901 ukethwa gitutumira SMS bila shaka wana ndacokera ngita nambere kuwata SMS ciaku na tuta nambere kuthomanithia na kuthwa tukimenyera tutuguicie tukomba kuthwa tukimenya na tutira wa uthembiji eteri ukethwa kumaruka mitambone.
tatua chapa na ndaka ichindire mainda ngiri 5 ya beti yaku onyuma ya ndeka 20 wachetha na chiringi 20 ugaichindira ngiri 100 na wachetha na chiringi 40 ugaichindira chiringi ngiri 200 chetha na chiringi 100 uichindire nusu milioni hau ngoroki kuri na into bia nyomba na bia biashara bia guichindira smart TV, fridge, cookers, mashini cha kuthambia ngari, mitambo ya kuchanganya na kuruga cake, bonda, mashini cha kuora na kuumia nguo, bills cha mitumba, solar panels, tuk-tuks na ngari muthemba jo maruti. Tonya thimuni yaku kiri M-Pesa na wikire paybill iriani 440 kana 150 amount ikira kuma chiringi 20 mwanka ngiri 2 account ni Meru TV. Changamka sasa, tatua chapa na kazi na daka.
We as Kamiti Ridge Estate, we live in this community, we live with people who are also disadvantaged. So we sent out a word in our neighborhoods, in our communities.
Nikuja kuhudhuria msaada tunaprovidiwa na watu wa Kamiti Ridge.
Mimi hata hii chakula yenye nimekujia mzee mwingine mwenye ana macho, father in law.
Kazi katika sasa ni kwa haso tu.
Sikia leo tumefurahia kuja kututembelea na kutuletea mazuri.
Leo tumepea chakula zaidi ya watu 150 ambao wametoka katika area zile zimezingira Kamiti Ridge. Tuko na watu kutoka Mugumo, tuko na watu kutoka Gitamayo, wengine wametoka Kamiti Kona na wengi wao walikuwa wametoka ile kijiji ya Lutulu na vijiji zingine zile zimezingira hii area ya Kamiti Ridge. Tatua, asanteni sana, Mungu ambariki.
Asante mno Tatua Tatu.
Asante sana Tatua Tatu. Embo mno Tatua Tatu.
Embwa sana mfurele pia huria.
Asante sana Tatua Tatu. Dasa.
Ya car wash machine. Leo tuko na Daisy Mombi. Unajisikiaje?
Niko sawa, nimefurahi kabisa. Sababu nimeona tatua ni ya ukweli.
Mashini hii unapangia namna gani?
Mashini niko na vijana wangu wanaweza fanya kazi nayo. Na wanajipatia kamsara kidogo.
Iko namna hiyo. Tatua Tatu ni rahisi kama 1 2 3. Hii sasa umesikia vijana wake tayari wako kasi wamejiandika. Na hii usicheza nayo, hii hata wakiamua kuosha makapet, piki, gari, wako tu sawa.
Asante.
Ungependa kuambia wananchi pale ambao bado cheza na wale wanacheza utawaambia aje?
Sasa nataka kuambia watu wa Embu, sababu najua Embu hakunanga wachezi wengi, wacheze Tatua Tatu ni ya ukweli.
Tonya thimuni yaku kiri M-Pesa na wikire paybill iriani 440 kana 150 amount ikira kuma chiringi 20 mwanka ngiri 2 account ni Meru TV. Changamka sasa, tatua chapa na kazi na daka.
Naitwa Patrick Busaka Ukido.
Umecheza Tatua Tatu kwa muda gani?
Nimecheza Tatua Tatu zaidi ya miaka 2.
Yoga hivi. Joi.
Nilisikia raha kabisa. Nilikuwa mwenye raha kabisa.
Pikipiki tunafanya nini?
Hii pikipiki naona nitazawadi kijana wangu mkubwa. Watu wacheze Tatua Tatu ni ukweli kabisa.
Tonya thimuni yaku kiri M-Pesa na wikire paybill iriani 440 kana 150 amount ikira kuma chiringi 20 mwanka ngiri 2 account ni Meru TV. Changamka sasa, tatua chapa na kazi na daka.
Naitwa Patrick Busaka Ukido.
Umecheza Tatua Tatu kwa muda gani?
Nimecheza Tatua Tatu zaidi ya miaka 2.
Yoga hivi. Joi.
Nilisikia raha kabisa. Nilikuwa mwenye raha kabisa.
Pikipiki tunafanya nini?
Hii pikipiki naona nitazawadi kijana wangu mkubwa. Watu wacheze Tatua Tatu ni ukweli kabisa.
Tonya thimuni yaku kiri M-Pesa na wikire paybill iriani 440 kana 150 amount ikira kuma chiringi 20 mwanka ngiri 2 account ni Meru TV. Changamka sasa, tatua chapa na kazi na daka.
Hii mchezo ya Tatua Tatu niliabiririwa na rafiki yangu. Nikaanza kucheza nikieka 10, 20, tukapanda hadi tukafikisha 100. Siku Siku moja nikiwa nimeketi hapa nikapigiwa simu nikaambiwa nimeshinda tuktuk. Na nilifurahi. Sasa sina stress ya kuenda Marigiti ati kubebereza kifikifi na migogoteni zinibebe vitu, hapana. Siku hizi ni tuktuk kangu kanaenda kanafanya kazi. Hata saa hii ndio dereva amefikisha. Bora ushukisha vitu kwanza tuweke stoko mzuri. Hadi nafanya deliveries kwa customers. Sasa hata wewe kama mwanabiashara unaweza jishidia.
Tonya thimuni yaku kiri M-Pesa na wikire paybill iliya ni 440 kana 150. Amount ikira kuma chiringi 20 mwanka ngiri 2. Account ni Meru TV. Changamka sasa, tatua chapa na kazi na daka. Anuje no waranire no bichi chia Meru TV na There FM ukaigwa kuri ontobote ukugweria kumakere programu iria igwetaruone nandi no tume maoni jaku gukurukira email yetu iria ni merutv.complaintcenter@gmail.com kana uturingire thimu gukurukira 0140 794 142. Meru TV, chionere mwanya.
Ibwega sana mutegeri wa Meru TV na mutegeri wa muthikiri wa There FM. Karibu oringi tutanambere kutha tukiarania rikana nera tutanambere kutha tuchambua manto ya gwitanambere andene ya nthiguru yetu ya Kenya na Kenya aja county ya Meru. Na tukitanambere rikana no kurikani gwitanambere gutera Facebook Meru TV Kenya, gutera YouTube Meru TV Kenya na gutuma SMS kuna namba ine screen yeku nombe kuthira gutuma SMS na bila shaka ngethira ngiwata SMS tiaku kiurikira wina kio opinion ira winio kana kethira comment winio tafadhali tutire au tukomba kwithira tukimithoma ru ni rumuri rwa siasa kama kawaida wina Njeri wa Cheupe na ngete na mbere nande tugichokera bwana director tugachoka ruterene rwaku katuje ki finance bill kwa kifupi. Kuna finance bill iliyo na nithiritwe kinyayo antu barina mathuganira maingi sana kumiusu. For example, uninga kuetera kidogo tu Kenya ya moto wamepeja finance bill 2027 the proposed one ya 2026-2027
but kinyo kimboria umboria emenya guti finance bill ukumboria we don't have a finance bill up to now. Ile one proposals.
Yes, ndio nimesema proposed
na proposals you with a tangible exact proposal because finance bill tukameonere iko parliament.
Yes.
So for now mboria mbigwethera ethera tugetania
sawa okay. Kulingana na proposal erariki finance bill you some of the things and then kueta tu some few not about time itonete kukethera kuri na itonete kukethera kuri na witia kwa nyumba rental houses ile kuregwa mbere ile yakwa from 7.5 TTA ikinye 10%. Then kuna thimo kinyatio isiembete kuthirigikirwa some tax aringe 5%. Then kuna thimo ile se assembled in Kenya ntabiguru nara ikathithirwa assembling in Kenya sithiritwe ikiro igekirwa around 16%.
But all those things are rumors.
They are rumors.
No.
But it's proposed.
Ukandhomera uchionde nukona ko andikite au it from somewhere. Where is that in document?
It's there. It's here. It's here. Can I send it to you?
Show me.
Let me send it to you.
No, ja gwitia kwa nyomba, where is it?
Eh?
Where is gwitia kwa nyomba?
Gwitia kwa nyomba?
Where is it?
See, it proposed. If it's passed, then
I think let's do this. Finance bill. Let me not talk about it.
Why?
Because right now, tutena finance bill is being made now. Na public participation endelete finance bill. Once they do the document, I commit to come here. Tuna document ile ya Tibondi Parliament. You know, I've been in the county assembly. Na imbije the law making process ura the rekari. Because kentuja dhimu nugetwe minister wa finance naraumire very clearly na meet stakeholders by that sector and they have understood kote any increment ithithitwe kiri tax yai ni pay point arekarirwa in any case cover reduced some of the taxes irira thithegwo kiri thimu ni pay point changetie na baita imwe na sector eu already they are happy with the proposal. You understand? Then opposition neone kuite kita na antu urongo bubwingi urongo ba nyomba urongo ba miunda so that now the government will run countering all this. Yeah? Omuntu ari umiraka ijana version yawe. So me I've decided I will speak and I will defend the version iria igeta parliament no ntu ne kethira ina input ya wananchi because kwina version iria umete treasury na kim budget office.
Yes.
You see?
Yes.
Then kwina moderated version iria kauma out of the public participation. Hiyo ni kati bond in parliament. That is what we want to, personally I want to engage about in public. Yeah. Otherwise, I don't want to be entangled in rumors and
I saw the CS Treasury and being some public participation in Nairobi, Jivaji, to be precise.
Yes.
And nilisikia some things zenye walikuwa wanaongelea mahali pale.
Yeye ama wao.
Yeye na wananchi.
Like
because
what?
Wananchi would ask the same questions that I'm asking you right now.
But now,
alafu na yeye anawajibu.
Bandi si aliwajibu.
Wale.
Now, aliwajibu. Si aliulizwa mambo ya simu?
Yes.
Alijibu aje? Because ulisikiza?
Yes, alijibu akasema thimuni thero yekiriri different tax kulingana na ara yumite na our tax iti kaba kwenda kulita tax yu nyingi wailete ikuwe moja.
Oranda uwa.
Urokujite ku. That's why now I'm telling you it's there. So allow me to continue because it's there.
Because Bandi CS wa treasury.
Yes.
No riwe kiure kiu.
Yeah.
Na nachokiri. Were you satisfied? Were the people there satisfied?
I don't know.
What do you think?
According to me,
because
I wasn't.
I will not give you an answer better than ile ya cabinet secretary.
No, you can.
No, I can't.
You can because
because cabinet secretary told them the what is in the proposal against the propaganda. You see? Na akubera I was following very keenly. Netre na umiro netre kwenye kinya the barabenda yethimu no monere. Uzuri mona?
Yes.
Alienda kwa engage na wakamuuliza hiyo maswali. Na aberesa. So the simple answer to that question edimo ne ati in fact tax money getete
nirite
levy simoni iriti ne pay point ye change. Actually, I was actually came my input rampomba kunankana na atiri why even change the pay point kele pay point ne kareta thina gutwike na nde as you pay but no thirika no treasury no monka ithire kwikio ikabirite wona bakienda pay point utwika ne okarira womba kwithirwa de tax ire agirwa nare ikwithira kwina tax evasion inyingi mono mtu akarega twika atiri ya nduti we na pieces tuge ngiri tikankuga ni windi ni kithuganagia no tunya tikankana itu kuthugania. I can think watu kana ndio ya pieces ngiri omba kwithira kwi ujanja buthithe gukaraga kuria nduti for all of them, but when na ndi gwatuika nduti riri wa thai mtu akugura aku activating gadget gutiwoka event ariku na no njira tukuga thirikari ijo njira ya ku make sure at least back seal loopholes on the GI tax evasion kena mwananchi atendelea kuongerwa tax na tuimenya kwino tax iko evident. So part of finance bill raise revenue na still ku seal loopholes GI revenue kenda tuweka everybody na kulea tax. And I think what we ka diria wa activity sim thimu nirio tax ikariwa then it simply means kotethi mwekere in this country tere irimbio
tax
ugoti. Yes.
So according to you Randombera, hizi vitu zote tuko nazo hapa ni rumors.
Gani?
Hizi za finance bill.
Most of them.
Proposed.
Most of them. Those are rumors. Most of them.
Then now
because one sio ya simu si already even you are somehow convinced up to now.
Me no, I was not convinced.
You are not convinced because you don't want.
No.
One thing.
Let me ask you. No, let me ask you, director. No. Let me ask you.
Kuna tax zimeondolewa.
Let me ask you.
Yes.
Onyo kaja wamberirie kombe kithai. Ikombe kitu kiragura wa 10 shillings.
Yes.
Gikiri sijui tax ABC 3 na gikagurwa 20 shillings. Ukiaza ukambira nande anda gwitira gikombe kithai kiruma shilingi 25 lakini anda gwitira taxi jene ndaringanira chionde tie yamo nande ukarere taxi imwe. Is that logic?
Let me ask you. Leave alone all those semantics. Leave alone them. Tell me, kule okwiri thimu igaitio buri?
Yes.
Where?
Ilikuwa imeongezewa na 4%.
If you remove some taxes, not tax yorongera, then where is the hike in price?
What about the transactions?
Which transactions?
M-Pesa.
Bana, no, let's tukae kwa usichanganye, unajua sasa unataka kunichanganya. And you not succeed. I'm asking you, you know, nditumira example eku kikombe hiki ya shilingi 20. Sawa? I have removed some taxes. And I have not added any tax. Kikombe kiu kigaitia 25 non to boy.
Then why are you not telling me that the tax now that that has been removed? Tumenya at least kethra kirari kirauma shilingi 20 non to tax 1 2 3 na ndege kauma 15 non to tax plani imetolewa.
That is eu kiu Kenyans babati kuithira na ndive keen about. But yes. You know, unfortunately, the opposition is feeding on tax. I mean, dhimu sijui kadhidhia. You know. My question would be, the people who sell those phones, kedra ugo withdraw tax yene. Yeah. Dhimu irari ngiri 50. No withdraw tax yene. So logically, what are you supposed to do? This phone, but with less than 50,000. But remember, finance bill, it take effect. We are jumping the gun. Finance bill, we are take effect. For example, Mbandi, araugire ibaitete some tax. Thai to but to compute tax you, ka levy you. To kona 2-3%. Then to get there, finance bill igakuruka. Ya kuruka tukaona nandi nuntu gukuruka nani 3-4%. The end result ipati kwitha imbi reduction on cost of the phone. But nandi opposition itikwenda ugo wetera that time. Iri kuonia negative otha iriku otha mapema sana. Ya kuonia negative because that is what will sell more. Because you agree with me, John Bandi, saying naraugire taxes imo na levies imo ni getete indi uteleve arauga ni ongeri tukweleano but utikwenda gwetera finance bill ukuruka na ndiye kuruka tona effect je okere kirithimu turiro gukaura indi tutikwiro kwaura gukaura thunderstorm kana tukau you know Can't we wait? Jameni. Can't we wait? What is the hurry? Hii Kenya hatuhami.
Sasa tukingoja ikipanda mbete nzima. What will I do?
Excuse me. Tukingoja ikipanda means now why are you convinced inapanda? Na hakuna hujaambiwa wameongeza tax. Hujaambiwa. So what will make it hike?
Unajua naambiwa lisemwalo lipo na kama alipo la.
Lisemwalo na nani?
Si watu wanasema. It's there.
Now,
it's there.
Let me ask you, between the Minister for Finance and hao wengine, mimi sijui ni nani wanakuambia. Hao wengine, whom do you choose to trust? Who can make a change? Or whom do you choose to trust?
I can trust the CS.
Now let's wait. He proves himself right or wrong. Si uliona finance bill ile ingine ilipita na ikakuwa amended. Kenyans ibetere na gutena disruption economy. Twetere kinya unia ombi waiting. No tukinya unia as a rational thinker ukejotuika guti tax. John Bandi CS propose ta kuongera. Then thimwe tibati kuongerwa Besha. Na ndi that time watu kai kuongera ri. Si that time we'll talk. Yes. Finance bill te bibilia ugete amended.
Okay, you know.
Yes. But you can't amend gintu giteo. Finance bill iteo. Finance bill ile enforce da hii ne last financial year. Yes.
Yeah. Kile au baugete ya kwamba in case if you pass by yani in case in case wakua mbete ile ni kanero kiri family ku ikethirwo ikitwa thai itethirwo ikigitirwa ugoti a family ku ikethirwo na kairo mbete yu tingano ora ibateri kungano tembe thirikari ikethirwo ikigitau kitengo kiu kio kiku iyo iko
ikethirwo iri kuri igentu ikiega.
Of course, hiyo ni mzuri, yes.
Now, let's wait.
Unajua iko na both sides, eh?
Yes, katoetere. That's another positive thing. Katoetere, what is the hurry? Hii kitu by next month itakuwa tumemaliza. Na tu kuona uma nai norongo anaika nanku nombire amiru na Kenya morongo jojonde jakaso tenda utikiri parliament. Yeah.
Okay. Sawa sawa. Let's leave it at that. Kapu tuogerotere nani nino tunkuona. Hiyo story umekataa katakata.
Si ati nimekataa ni kwamba we have nothing. We can't baptize a child that is tutumbo batithia mwana atichiari. You see? Mwana ata achiaro. Hapana. Finance bill no kona direka iga atibond in parliament. Call me immediately. Tukuje nayo hapa. Ile atibond in parliament. Once it is tabled in parliament, majority rinda. Kana whoever will table. Niite sasa tuongee. But hii story nyingine nitakwenda kutonya gibi ngarare ya these
fair enough
characters.
Okay. Katu tekeru sererwa politics once again then
Tukwenda toa bela siasa kuru.
Siasa? Na ndito kebela siasa tano wao mu siasa. Okay, si nini unajua ni ile kuklarify watu unajua mamtete mengi ya ragumu no nara unless you guys bukeje jana ndipo clarify rantu then people will still remain na rumors tio na jaraba kuiba kuma kile antu
underline ya rumors chao ndio chao
yetu si wananchi yes very true kuna signatures mtogoto Bob Jage ni activist ombite kudura kuiba collect kuthithia referendum in Kenya non tupo manto jara jadire tu chakiendelea Kenya muno na kuona kana na kuiba tiba tere kutajario. What do you think as a leader? Do you think we really need a referendum right now?
Ntaigwa ntatu yu amberesa ntatu yu
yeah na ugete niba collect signatures
aliwa ijai na no bati kueleza referendum ne ya kwenda as na right as per our constitution na right je ku initiate a constitutional review so na no bati gutwira te woni no bati gutwira constitution amendment ira kwenda ire arenda ya address what and what. So abugite arenda ko
augite arenda referendum in Kenya because of the current political stand politics kalidai.
So arenda kuthithia ate
arenda na ndima
not narration.
Yes.
Anataka kufanya nini?
Anataka referendum yenye ita change hizo vitu zote. Zile vitu unaona sahi kuinandwa katika leaders no kuigwanto ibako wewe ni activist no kuigwanto ibako iba muntu alia anything against the government unasikia Subaru imepatikana imeonekana mahali.
So anataka kufanya referendum.
Kuna rising of fuel.
Referendum for fuel.
Kuna vitu mingi sana ametaja hapa. But now the question is, do you think really Kenya dhaipo amba kutoka Kenya referendum like
dhai kiraki in the minds of Kenyans ni transformation agenda ile kwa current ni thirikari William Ruto. Na any right thinking person kiria go track mono ni ona input ira tumba kunenkanira kiri ku revitalize economy yetu ya Kenya.
Okay.
Kikyo gigatuteithia as we speak now. Number 2 kira kingi kiri in the minds of Kenyans ni kithurano gya 2027 next year. Technically there is no way omba kuthithia a referendum within time witigere. Time witigere kinya we the in July,
yes, June.
We are entering June tomorrow. Together tutigerie 6 months. Is it 6 months to the end of the year?
Yeah.
Then 2 months into next year. Baraba kwenda gwitoromba ite ba resign. So ikethere kuma thai gwit mwanka rira election cycle kambiria ni 8 months. You see? So kuma thai mwanka menya kinya thai ndwarire kwarujia rarezi ukona ikithithwa. IBC nyete kumba kuingana na bono ntu thai we are not in an election period. It has not declared, it has not been gazetted. Kuma February ile election calendar ikambiria Quran which is 8 months from now. So kuga manto referendum that is wishful thinking. There is no way kumba kuambiria referendum now by the time you correct the signatures. Yeah? Ingana uchoka and signatures you are verified. Kuma una and the referendum question are framed. Then you did in public participation. Yeah, that the referendum questions and issues to be sorted there. Yeah, non-diru na court cases irike out of that. Menya tekaomba kugano kwenda referendum uduganie people just tell you to take referendum. You are into next year. So mbuga tubesha kidogo na tuto NGOs which he wants to spend and aongezee wengine kidogo.
Okay. Tukichoka
kana kienda giti fulani sorry kana ndire kuigua kwenda political discourse ya kwenda kuleta then around on that discourse na Kenya no ije tuanze the last cycle of each 5 year referendum ne arairwa muno. This is not unusual. Yeah.
Okay. Chief Ngoti Kenube to some of the UD allies talk of so many things like the deputy governor Kakamega, kuna Charles, kuna wa Amisi and women representative nibe tubakia rimanta maingi sana na ibaraugete ya kwamba President William Ruto no ithero akirea IBC members members na pia budget ira batumarana wo banenkaira budget hiyo and now he said yes IBC and now he said that we Kenyans we should be manned if we think aomba kuthira akire antu ba IBC officers ba OBC na ketho akine kana budget and then we expect him kushindwa elections ya 2026
and request talks whether you meet him opposition ka you meet kiri people supporting government request talk itapatikwa entertained actually NCIC Cohesion and Integration Commission should take action. Anybody will require that manner of thinking. Known to IBC is an an independent body.
Yes.
Na inya funding yeyo itikurukaira through the president's office. Funding yeyo ita direct kuma treasury direct na eja voted ni parliament. Kethira thinking yeyo Jerry, kethira thinking yeyo ni correct thinking, then Uhuru Kenyatta atende chindo akiri kuringira Raila Odinga, may so rest in peace, campaign. Non tuka jukia thinking you about thai. Then tuka misplace squarely 5 years ago. Then it would mean Uhuru Kenyatta no nenkaira IMBC mbesha. Na Ruto si alishinda. So hiyo haiko. Control on budget is an independent body. Hiyo ni independent body. Ni yataka budget cha institution chionde. IMBC is an independent body. Kutirio banenkero ambesha bora yiri ya Ruto. Kinyasi yombi ge transmit mbesha na treasury but yiri president Ruto. Kedri nya county assembly president William Ruto naretikiririe na sign sheria ya kuga mbeche chiao chita direct ki county assemblies. No IBC. So siasa hii mani dynamics nyingi muno. Mbuga bara enda kumakama ki opposition lakini batumira the wrong tactics. Non to Kenya eji will remain one united indivisible country after the next general election.
I agree.
And therefore itubati kudirikana na riria kwagea na gachagacha Kenya yambairie na ndo ario jayu irrespective of whether in government or opposition.
Yes.
That one I can't buy. Na deputy president nara kamera out very clearly nauga hii uchaguzi it will be free, fair, verifiable. Na uno mpongere nkauga William Ruto na Professor Kithure Kindiki they will win at the ballot through voting ya wananchi na an interfered process completely. Aneu ni ongo gitu kubanga nandi. Ure tukatonya kiro wananchi, we sell the government agenda, we sell hope. 20 hope. Nonto right now anto iba kuendelea hopelessness. Inene mono. Anto iba kuendelea fear of unknown. Anto iba kuendelea giving up. You see?
Yes.
Anto iba kuendelea project ile kuendelea kenda anto wana project jera ya Needham Bridge. Na ile Needham Bridge ni one commitment.
Yeah.
Right now ugeta Needham Bridge contractor is there. Kinyo we need uri marima. Kana the other side. Ugatega ndeu uri marima ra turijanya mara bijura ra nyame. Ugatega ndeu no kuona construction site. Hii nene mono nonto project you is a mega project. Construction site you kekureka. Machinery zimeanza kuletwa pale. Lakini kuona ki social media the other day I think ni gorondo na mtu akiuka ni the primary school. Trying kudhukia project iliku. Kenda wananchi patika kuona project yiu pambiria kuona kwa irua. Kana pambiria kuona corruption in a project. Kenda weja walidi mantuja barabara fulani ukambiria kuirua substandard. Kena ni mwananchi hatiringa kura based on barabara yeji on this water project akona other things iteo tunande mirandi ire ground ya thirikari yeji if I start south imenti central imenti north imenti constituency jionde uteo nte gutarira projects barabara cherami ya nongo tarire igoro chonro ntungeno na to enkobware ire enkobuka morita I mean robbery that barabara is complete although big a few touches here and there as we speak now barabara ya Kionyo Kanyakine Moto Kiama Kidhino barabara yu contract niranenkanirwe so antu bairi eu wi gitari kai bo mburagia na atatu kuthithia ndere ndabwira fairo imene areri na inkubwira fairo eu niri kiritwe ngugi you see na any time contractor akeja ground kwambira igira barabara ewe rami phase 2 ya moro KK moroga mara kuita mitungu orende kinyayo niri kiritwe phase 2 anakuja anze hapo ugeja settlement ya uju nyoge tara kariene yake are ura au market ugatega barabara hiyo itetio Mboinjeru itetio unaona hiyo barabara inatengenezwa kinyoke jaja Coca-Cola aja ku barabara unaona barabara hiyo tuwete leo ukeja kinoru iki barabara ile ithijie kirira miuku ira jie kiri kabro thirikari William Ruto na Professor Kindiki na engineer Kinoti Kura atutethia lot barabara itionthe imbugiro getara ule ya Polytechnic barabara hiyo gitoro gitimene kwenda kirwe nare iyo barabara contractor utukwari nyenda ingeja gutiga marori jawe njirene anafanya kazi Timau imbugire weta Timau barabara yigwakwa you see hii barabara akinkwariria my friend na kunate na kwa mheshimiwa Mporo wa Buri barabara Cherami hata umeona na TV imeonyesha kwa John Paul kore barabara eu contractor ako site weja housing mawa affordable housing iko niendelete weja Nyambene level 4 hospital already jeshi wako pale you see waitie KMTC Kangeta you see wejira kianja ya mbuga model market thoko ira nene kabisa ira ndona inyana metho yakwa na ruo mbiteretio Kenjai thoko ukianja tai as you speak ni gwakwa tike gakwa ni gwakwa weja barami market within market ya kianja na kaburo ya service nini lanes yu ije kaburo as we speak now kianja hapa you see
yes
weja kirimanto ja hospitali Meru level 5 kwironda ara aja ndagwa Meru level 5 wetu kweja level 6 project ye more than 1 billion itaanza wamburia usual ni urongo nini ita Meru level 5 na kamera yo mulike as you speak now project inaendelea taboga sana ira tutigerie na andiki ndogo tureta contractor ni ya Gakoromone kidogo tu tureta contractor au andi stima mirandi stima ile kuendelea kuku ni mingi sana ita slam narakura Islam kwa twaja huyu uone kaburo zinaekwa barabara Cherami zinaekwa huko you see serious tangible transformation ile kuendelea ni Meru lakini kuina bangi na bo baraba kwenda kwa ato anene you know mbugi yonde ndauga ni kuendelea ile endelea nuntu mberema tuwe na MPs baraba thurieri pakurumbuye ba yonde pakungangana ki national government kukuthurira antu kuguchwira antu mirandi ile gatethia Meru iji ajumbe ba Meru I want to salute them iba guitanguge mbega sana ya ku make sure mirandi ile kuthigwa kunge kuthigwa yo Meru number 2 twina deputy president Professor Kindiki nawe na ituga east west home is best na Kindiki ni mwana mu Meru
yes
na itogire Meru ikumathoshi mwankanto Nyeri na itogire oro ku wina mathugane yange no ntuku mutongeria ndai yetu akiuga ati Meru ati Tharakanithi Meru which is very ridiculous
Tharakati Meru
na mutongeria uno akurunga makauga na ethiru anga spokesperson injury na ati kuririkana injury ncheke ire Meru na injury ncheke ire korobe shau ne doshi mwanganto Nyeri so ati kuririkana nukuona so tuina deputy president ugutegera region ye sana agitega Kenya yonthe mirandi ethia ni barabara ire kuamite ya Meru county mirandi unda tara yonthe ni umbite kuchua kairi ire tari na mbesha yekirwa mbesha ira contractor bari bakura bajokwa kairi ingi meru eretwa mirandi meru je undagweta kuronda gwete meru na ikwithira twina muntu kinya imenyaira Kenya yonde au menyera Kenya ira umite nikuelewa so tuko na hiyo na kiria kienderete thai ni positioning kiri national politics as we speak now
positioning
na kuri antu bagutumira kanya gaka kakwithira rimwe MPs the MPs elsewhere nini ba MPs kuchua mirandi eu bakeja go spoil mirandi ereja ground wananchi ndenda bamiru bachiuria atiri mianka 5 ya Uhuru Kenyatta na ni utukuga uri moka igu antu bagoga gweta Uhuru Kenyatta tumugweta ni tu na reference point mieri 5 mianka 5 ya muthia ya Uhuru Kenyatta that is 2017 to 2022 ata kinya miru kinya na kuru ajai kanyanga ou ata kinya miru kinya mirandi guteo ya thithwa Meru county indi as we speak now Mary mianka ina 3 point something ya William Ruto kote constituency itena mirandi ira ya mbiriti so that is a big plus na mirandi ni mega projects no kuigwa yo ankobo billion aja yo billion mawa sijui milioni 100 kianja hii milioni 100 mbesha ichionde ipampi aja nonto iji neri emwe yumba gukira nega kuri economy ya Kenya. Therefore ondaromba Meru tafadhali charity begins at home. Let us support our leaders. Na ija Mpuru wa Buri. Ya? Mpuru wa Buri. Mheshimiwa Mpuru wa Buri wa Tigania East. Muchoro kwa sana. Ngugire Mheshimiwa Mpuru alitete. Antu ba Tigania East baka menya ngugi iria itete ya lobbying bate mulinya kiuria indebe betera bakamwikira kura akendelea na ngugi because diri okona acho murandi jo over a billion areta rura mikinduri jo gwitu housing project ara tikeri town ire anene lakini nontu bo mujumbe okomba kuingana na into na akomba kungangana na au nombete kuona murandi lakini ukoona kule antu bangi nabo bale aja nontu iba kwenda kwa tongeria ati nontu iba kwenda kwa nene pathukie murandi juu kenda Mheshimiwa Mpuru wa Buri atika uge success story yewe kire murandi juriku amiru ria murandi joeja ugatega inya mujumbe nontu murandi jojo 1 billion mbeca iria igatigwo kiroko economy ira ya Tigania East ya Mikinduri Tigania Central it is a lot of money twarikia kujura antu bara bakara nyombene yu bairieu bakonora baukaraku kinya bawe chukuru jetu igokira biashara jetu igokira so je yetu bati gutega stima ire igwikirwa almost all the areas cia county ya Meru tuitege ire enabler ya economy yetu na tugatega mantu ja siasa tuweka siasa mbere tutikinya ikiwa tumansingo out Mpuru wa Buri nontu imbije kinya kirugendo ru kwi muthaka kwi young man ndona thai andika auga our mission is 2027 and our vision is 2032 hashtag Kithure Kindiki our mission is 2027 our vision is 2032 and I think that's very fantastic why nontu Mpuru wa Buri aliuga atiri ndona kuona ngitana ba Mheshimiwa Kindikiri Rahim John Paul Mwiri bonde ba Mheshimiwa Shandrak bonde araba gwita jumbe betu ba Meru barira antu twina kionekia mbampuirere yakuya na ndera antu igembe mbampuirere yakuya na 2027 niyo mbampuire imbere yetu akina State House turi a Meru twarikia kutetheria William Ruto au na mbampu iu ate karonda kura kairi Kenya not at all atikaronda kura kairi na natwete umwe wetu Mumiru ali deputy president kwa unoe wina button ainyuma au which means Amiru twinthe ndabuthaitha ndaburomba na winyi yabo nene muno itu taro in the right side of history side ire kuo ikutega mbere ikona within the next miaka ngi tantatu au ire mbere au patwe turi Amiru nanda wo nti kwa Mukabira nonto kinya Mumiru agatonya State House ukambire iro kwa Ukabira 2032 Professor Kithure Kindiki noe more likely kwithira ari president wa Kenya nonto eta kiri Masai bakumwenda weta Kinjaru bakumwenda weta North Eastern bakumwenda Coast bakumwenda na atutumenya charity begins at home.
Exactly.
Na kiri kinja gitiagayo kia kugitate
kia kuoga
na kirauni kirija ro kiri mutwe na mayandero ja ndatara jonde project ndatara chonde na ira jite ya next financial year kiwi kyo tukurira kirauni ano igirwe tukiuga kugintu ndaugire na tukuga na nye professor na ugite kaigua kwi mutongerio Miru akio imetheka ndege gwe na thina abu ndari bona ate na thina atukuga atiri Christmas thigungwa Christmas igakinya no kethira butina gya kuria njenu kabisa ikusherekea bwina intobira bya kawaida ndi butina nyama bwina mbojo bwina mpempe bwina intobia kuria bwina bio ene nyama butina chio utiumba gwita gwira muthako okura mukuru hatieto norega chio tuthinje ng'ombe ira ikite nuntu ne onka twino yomba kuma nyama ture thigunku ya bangi hakuna we muntu umume othirithio ukera muthako okutuchiumie na ana baku bana mokuru okutuchiumie nibwe you see mpara ikarana muntu kanyira uju tuchiumie ni tore bibireo
narua
ng'ombe tutithinja ina njau kiu na ng'ombe ina njau ya Mumiru kiu na therefore tutitikiria twairwo kuthinja ng'ombe iji na ina njau ya Mumiru katukomeria Amiru tumirie buru 2027 to support William Ruto kuma au njau yetu ichiarwe njau ine otika twina ogwane Kithure Kindiki ni taire ukagwatia na wike iguru ria metha niji no withire winonge ukaremwo kumwariria professor ati kunindi nya kwariria kira kunindi ni strong backup yanare umite
watu
wamshikilie nuntu ji professor Ruto wengo nari on the record akiuga he as the best deputy president in the world.
Yes.
He is on the record. Akiuga huu na mutego kuona ni mtu anaelewa mambo ya kazi ya serikali, anaelewa mpangilio. These are the people we want. Na ikanajua antu Bamiru bukage ugwa deputy president wa Kenya. Urokethe ballot pepene bena William Ruto akethe professor Kithure Kindiki na kura eje ni otwitite kuiringira turi Amiru gutirenge tweta kuringa kura twina deputy president Mumiru na twiringaira ticket igashinda riro na nde twitite uringa ticket yu ko na nje eri uringa kura yu na mambethe kura yu ngukorombe yu waringa kura yu wethire wiji go wairingira kura twitaire ni Amiru njirene gatigati titwe kwa mbere tuambiria utegande hapana tuende kwa barabara katikati itu tutegi Kenya yonde nande.
On that note kuna mtu wetwa Kiremi Nicholas arua why is Kimathi telling us to support the so-called one of us, yet when he immediately became the chief of staff, the first person he sacked was from Kwene South, between Kwene and Tharaka, who is close to Kimathi.
Who is that?
Areto Nicholas. Kiremi Nicholas.
Are you going?
Arua atiri nikino tukwira antu basupport one of us who is the DP na arua wera wa chief of staff no kuna mtu umwe wabutire ngugi wa Nkwene South Imenti akoria who is close to you, is it Tharaka or Nkwene?
No, una ndire kana no uwe na manto jawe.
Okay.
Uwe akona shinda yake kidogo.
Okay, sawa sawa. Then kwina mtuku atiri aruria
by the way, if I may also answer him, tikamwije. If I may answer him. Non-toni hundi watu support deputy president. Endere kwa deputy tika deputy. Mind you deputy president.
Yes.
Ndisapundiuga tumo support endere kwa deputy in the next regime iri mbeti yetu ya Miru. Awe na ndina choki kiuria kethe na njira kumuria umurie between Professor Kithure Kindiki Gideon Kimathi na bangi baba ingi ba Miru baba ingi ba Miru percent nene muno Miru over 80% they are supporting thirikari kukurukira deputy president Kithure Kindiki ask him or her uorie kiuria kiu umurie no Gideon Kimathi akuria atiri no, with all humility.
Anaskiza? Na pikirite, I'm very sure.
Yeah. Mwira Gideon Kimathi amuri atiri. Professor Kithure Kindiki. Aumite rundunia. No unge noe akuga no akona noe mwega ka no ore akue no ntwamburi in terms of proximity. Tiwori in terms of angaja naja. Morie direct. Umorie irunduni na Mathira kana irunduni na Ikamba na are kana irunduni na Kisii kwa Matiang'i umuri gukuraja umite nkubwa au eno ntondi thugania no nkuene tu na ndi neke pointing kubwa atwire kuma nkubu gwita Seikuru na kuma nkubu gwita irunduni kuma nkubu gwita Kisii ya kuma nkubu gwita Mathira niguo gukuraja na ndigethe igukuya kwenda tuko irunduni noe and by the way pena mbeo nkamuchwa jabo ibon kwenda nkarendi na pole lazima ngadha unipatie namba ya huyo
nitakupatia
nitakunywa chai na yeye
nitakupatia Nicholas Kiremi ingoti kio kuigwa
uno the efficiency of men uno wajira Kindiki kura
ngorogia mdoge wende okay agatoshokeni na agatwira director ngotuka nuwetwe kwina ntoba ODM baugete bakonda gitekia DP thai echocho ntoba Western nginya baragure bakonda kina Tangula do that yes they say they want that
kiongwa nenda bokienda ukaba
kiongwa barua menya in Western bedra bena numbers na barua kuringana na numbers ila bena chio iba konote gitikingi ba deserve more than less than kiukia deputy president lakini wategeranto ya Boburu barabara ugwa mbere iba kwenda baragure baba kan defend gite byao vya senatorial nao na kina Gladys Wanga wakan defend byao they don't want hiyo kitu ya DP but watu wa Western kina Moses Wetangula nao wengine wote wanasema wanaitaka hiyo kiti. What does that mean? Kadrikari yochela karataka na what is going on?
Ande mwari umwega no uga karago ande kaugambua na kagambua muno isa sawa
yes
lakini wewe mwari urende nagurirwe okay mwari nagurirwe na murano yo tangazi ijo tariki 10 mweri wa 8 next year 2027 igitarira kwendeka antu baumira igitarira akurukire mwari netire na batu tutu tayari kuretera mwari ungi andi nuntu wambira njaru iba kwenda tigwambira na ruya iba kwenda ikuonania mwari ona thongi Amiru nabo ujuriria sentence
tafakari ya baba
tukumbo tuika waiba kwenda na atu twina kio turekia patu turekia kira tugwete kiu tugwete tutire tugarumata ja kaumbu na kaumbu je kaumbu urakarumata gintu au ne tuigwetie na au tukarumata umwanka ndarike muthia hapo watu banduki William Ruto mbete guitango geiji nontu bwa assistance na nontu ba uthetherua na mibango na kila kitu na wewe ngona ugite ni Professor Kindiki ni gitari yake tuona muntu antu bakiuma bakauitu kwenda nya tugitikia running mate na by the bakiugo ubethere nya bene heshima kidogo nontu gitikite aki vacant itebiere bite vacant gitikia president yo Kenya na gitikia deputy president they are not vacant Watu tuina kura nyingi Meru nyingi sana. Na region yetu ina kura nyingi sana sana sana. Na kura hiyo they must speak. Inkomenya bau jabu bakiuria biu ibara batomi kuja kuthukia ndeje kenda kuoneka ya support na ndauma na haru akira ngondu. You check the videos. Wone nkuboria. Ndaboria ri mngangani bakwenda giti abwe pauga kiwigetu anombore gantunyas. Nontu tutiumba kwithira tukinyite levone ya kwewa kiti kia deputy president na deputy president yu perform menyaga chagua kengirwe ikurega go perform na kurega kwerwa thirikari ne mbiririo mbiririo aranyunya muma ntukwe muma tone na ngaratanire ari mujonyio ari mugwita ngugi engo imbunge kwaretwa na kiewa kia muntu inyoka thithia ata no kiawe niga gukirwa ajumbe no professor bendete professor na ndia gwita ngugi mwanka mwengwa president yo Kenya auga this is the man untethia this is a person mwanka kauga Kenya kaba kuthura deputy umuthomu muno agaita ngugi ukaria matunda jariku jau na ndio choke utwire bahati na tuture Meru ati tugakira twetere ati bange bagwiba ukienda bahati nontu itu twena kyori na twi meato teme yako ya Kiingereza na deputy president hakuna
mshafika juu
tumefika juu and we can always rise we can come down na still Meru na atongeria ba Meru na Kenya ODM according to me this is I think yani there is something between my ears and to have na thirikari tha hii ni ODM why ODM ni ina treasury ugoti bo njerio ngambithiria kuma mbijire bo thuranu bunde no nenkairo no manenjabu John Mbandi treasury
yes
thirikari mbeja ibo benabu the highest ministry ni energy tojo kungambithairia ja maguta ja stima no we najo
nobo
to te wandai honda tutaita kwere nyato ni general ure project ichi onde tukwariria no mwanka ekerekirore no ai no ao so gitekia deputy president Mount Kenya ikyo tuigwetie na kithure Kindiki nawe agategwa njasi ja Mumiru kithure Kindiki no ku represent Mount Kenya anaremo Kenya no ku represent Mount Kenya because ora umire ari Mount Kenya nacho kuwa Mount Kenya therefore story je kuga kurungu kwenda gitikiu it is neither here nor there.
So to Mount Kenya to safe?
Mount Kenya we are safe.
Okay.
And William Ruto na Professor Kithure Kindiki. Ueta Mount Kenya West bai kuira bahati tugutega tukona ja Professor Kithure Kindiki ari umutana wa Mwai Kibaki. Kana yo murito wa Mwai Kibaki. Kibaki mibango yere super. Kibaki atarika bakabakaba. Kibaki atari mantu ja kwaria just para but result oriented person transformative somebody no mibango na that is kintu kiro kuona kiri Professor Kithure Kindiki so Mount Kenya is in safe hands only when the equation has Professor Kindiki.
Okay.
Na Njuri Ncheke ne by the way I want to thank Njuri Ncheke Amiru. Njuri Ncheke Professor Kindiki ari senator wa Meru. Ari senator wa Tharaka Nithi na majority leader wa Senate. Ne mwekere mungi. Ne mwe the spokesperson wa region. Nugwarwa? Na therefore ibene na ikyo woni akuruba umbaete shima. Nonto no kuona omeankere ibene waja. kwi gintu kiria ariku
kiria
no gikuja kuria na ndi uri atiri Mumiru bado tukainge yogambi tugabire kurobire bire Miru biti ukabi katukainge yogambi tutebira twina bio nontu opposition kinya tongeria ba opposition ba Miru baraba Miru tiko na ba opposition ba Miru mubaije bangikana ka team kau na metheka koru mo nkuona yenyake yande tu kiangalia ka team kau opposition ka Miru baitu iratiri baira Miru atiri ati batu tutethieni kirinde yende kia mageturi batu to atega ranking umage patirinda deputy chair tujite ogu Miru kire opposition to number 7 ibo bakuga ranking meano tega ranking mo Miru re munene kire opposition dere kia makiki ndere
yes
by number 7 haya bakera Miru oye nibo tutethie tuite state house na be number 7 na bandu batirona kura ikire opposition bali twero then ndae thirikari ndaje turi na atu nuntu ndo 2 term kabisa 2 term kire 2 term nio turiuga ati turira Miru atiri na winyia bona na muno Miru na antu batharakanithi na antu barinjoni na Mount Kenya twibwira atiri na atu ndeke thirikari ri na tuje thirikari niyo mambo yote niyo common good jethara iri kire thirikari ri batu Mount Kenya tu number 2 tuiki number 2 ke thirikari nontu number 1 wi William Ruto
yes
number 2 i Professor Kithure Kindiki so kire thirikari tu number 2 kire upinzani tayari na batena thirikari beki number 7 na ndia Miru ri inatomba gwikira nkaraji yetu tena ake thirikari na ukethera gwikirite nkara nguko gwikirite nkara no ore karagia nkara njeri ukeyo gita rau wona mantu na ndia Miru kinyoro tari convince Gideon Kimathi ga gukuromba be convinced na chiende uri Mumiru chiende chiekire uri Mumiru na ndogo Mumiru aende arietha thuci monganto nyeri chiekire na chiende na menya ugwe you can be anything in this country na buitikiria ati Mumiru no aera icio Kenya kama taniti guro nkuthura nkoria mataniti ira chijiara president bachiara ire na utichiariro utigira mwana mataniti ya Miru kama tanite Tharakanithi kama tanite Embu ugira mwana ona mwana hu a president yo Kenya you can but ni antende antu bangi baria ndeja nkaigwa bwimbira yanga wa marona na raugire yanga Kalonzo akuga yanga Batiang'i akuga kinya tukindike akuga
okay
na nya baba bangi characters kwaria na baba Miru na ndio jaro ndeja ke pindi na kairi kana ndai nkiuma obere Kimathi akuga tikutuika mubono obo bakauga aba upinzani
bonka
no uga nyani mpira uga nyani nkuga yeah I've seen you see
yes,
na the beauty of it Mumiru na turari discussion ye na moderation na winyia na nonto monene wetu mutongeria wa Miru na I mean mutongeria wa Mugongo imuntu okunyia deputy president imuntu okunyia haigo nkuburia kwire gute muntu kwenda gite kia raisi butiji kethe Kalonzo nyanda mugweta ta kuithinere ume akwenda kwa raisi gawe ndo tutunya ani ankurega Kalonzo nari vice president o Kenya
yes
menke mingi sana na mboni housing project imwe na mboni thoko na mboni Meru mbloko era bakire that time Matiang'i ozea bwariria manzo yabo kwaria hii ndio kazi alikuwa na Matiang'i ozea tika imugeni gote muraika umete guru akinyai
ndigoro
kinya baba Miru na baba kutuba kugithia ntumbu na aba ijo eteke ngavana no nduye eteke ngavana ba uchwa nothing else kutoje ao tari minister gote check minister mnabendera so ndenda kuromba uju nandi uju deputy president yako ija Meru town akauga ati Meru level 5 ingo aka akauga ati housing akauga ati irami ndena na ndi kuromba kinyabo urethero no uri minister uthirikari weja mbere ma ugakire minister yakwa mianka 5 kana mianka 2 niliwafanyia nture gintu kinana kwa umpeni kanya mpendere obuitira ngugi indi kethiro te ambiria u sahau forget
au ni ngwitike tugwitikaniria muntu akamakirwo na ngugi tiawe mbere tu maruka kwina antu au kwa level 5 imagine au kwa level 5 it's vitari ngiri ku maybe now that ira ni reke elevator na ya level 6 it's vitari ku ngi maybe bangiri ku level 5 because we cannot do without level 5
tunare why it's imbe tubati kuga thirikari ni utoteka bwega riria cibitari level Meru yaitithwa level 6 ni gu create room ya another level 5
yes
Nyambene category u ya kwethio level 5 na ikyo kuona as you speak now contractor is on site na nya county government inafanya kazi mzuri no tuiba kuendelea gwaka nao mirame jengo ni kuendelea kwa through the county government again kenda nayo yumba kwa elevated to level 5
okay
tunaelewana Kanyakine hospitali ya Kanyakine Kinyayo ika improved very seriously thai kwena mbeca kindogo I think 20 million chiekerio from national government county government ni pump ingi but I know Kanyakine iga pump mbeca kairi seriously kenda tumba ku expand infrastructure Kanyakine theaters and the rest na kenda jomba ku savu nya KMTC boya kana ntitu kwenda program kana degree programs Bindi program nursing na binambi chiendelea kwa offer ari tu kwenda institution ya Kanyakine KMTC umba ku expand ikinyenya 10,000 students kenda local economy huyo umba gukira na mbere antu ba Kanyakine na antu ba erieu KMTC ya Kanyakine gutino yitite it will be there nyanjezo wakeja itakuwa hapo so issues ira borege kuire ku rest assured ulayo na munda jo wewe na plot na kenyomba chia alitwa that institution can only expand but gutino umba kugeka thamu anything like that so you know level ni Kinyayo iri ya marked for level 5 revision number 3 aja Meru level 5 ya level 6 now Kinoru Kinyayo ni mark for improvement major improvement je infrastructure nonto mtorore ta gusiki services ara Meru level 5 wa kuma aja no mwankethere na alternative
yes
na arageta iri first line of treatment ni Kinoru ni jumpango juriona ndijo wakukeria Kinoru you remember kiaki something is happening and is a bit far from here kiaki will be expanded on to that other side of the county but Kinoru yuna ndine kedre focus kenda services ira chionde ira tuikagia level 5 tumba kujiona aliku na still non tunande level 6 area then Kinoru area you know Kinya proximity ni karibu so antoba area in terms of health care pakethera bena advantage inene sana
okay
yeah na expansion nice. ya KMTCs hii na yoto ithithia delivery KMTCs training chidre karibu alitoba umekuraja beje ba trainer we improve the local economy number 2 ana betu baraba kuthoma certificate diploma na bombe kuthoma chipa kinyaba kiuma anja bakathomera au na baka diploma chiao certificate chiao bakaendelea kuritangugi na still kenda bomba go serve health care institution facilities to go expand we will need workforce inene as you speak now faith based facilities public facilities jina ni kuandika nyanto wengi sana. So we need to train as many as possible.
Okay. Katuje kutana na Meru na ndaike mwake untovu mwake. Itone tatongeri ba Meru baba ingi muno bari na ndo asia apa na pale. Barato kwirigira no batongeri barabo in 2027. But ya igoro icho indonere governor Meru baki apologize sana na mtu gwitwa Mithika Linturi na babo bakethwa bagitaniria ngugi. Nyanto batorana na kimetho. Na babo bangi betherete kinyo bari na ndo bakwithirwa bakigwatana. What do you think we are expecting as Merus?
I'm not taking it serious.
Hey, why?
It's nothing serious there. Forget about that.
Really?
Forget about that. You know, Mutuma is struggling to retain power. Mithika is struggling to grab power. So unless umoja yao arungame auge woni nkurekana na mbindi yakwa nkankurekana na guchwa giti kia governor na ngo support Mutuma tuge Mithika uge woni kuma na Arua ngo support Mutuma ntijwa giti kia governor kanga watane na Mutuma na thirikari thirikari ya William Ruto na nyomba nyingi tushikane hivyo tusevua Meru aka ugo au be convinced kana Mutuma no aka uga inyo opposite aka wenyo atetwa ite but ndatoka indication on the Mutuma is very serious na chwa gite kia governor ndamutego ndamuthimio he is very na tiko mama ngeno kumonora uthi nyathai mbuga imichemanio ne ari agichwa gite kia governor 2027
yes
he is seriously looking for that position na no ntoka period kakaranyi rira wana inchi mpeni kipindi gyakwa kiongona ndi muone Mithika ndamutega mbayo ndamutega he wants his position so ngwataniro u kiria mpumba kuona kirikio ni ceasefire rira bethaniria amwe ina common ground baka kabanira and after that yo mtu ena kimindo
no amtonge
the political knife so but nande what I want to make out of Bow Baraugire is one as a pragmatic politician what I want kirango na make out of that na kirango na kubaromba out of that iba save Meru the agony ya cruise of the national stage kethira ni Mithika na igitikia ngavana okwenda uoromba igitikia ngavana kabisa na aria ntatu ni anture uguka ure umba kwambeta ngavana na ni ugureo kethe imunya oni anture ugumba kwambeta ngavana na ni ugure ureo ubonie no ntukiko itikiro kugitate
okwenda
nago Mutuma twithinkia nago bonie urori better than them bere munya gono ori gitine but I'm better than you no ntunko thithia ABCD no ta thithia the people judge ira Mithika we na ndi mimi inyoga ntegera na no mperege no ndari mere kinya uni you can't do more than I'm doing tell people like that indi ukagita nowe wita wiromba gitikia ngavana kendo uthikiro kana uringirwa mpe muno ukambirio gwatake deputy president ukambirio gwatake president ikendo uthikiro kenda woneka wi murui muno kana igo utetera interest ya Meru interest ya Meru ite kuraya gitikia bujinanira kirea ngangane ni giki no tukona gitikia president yo Kenya na tukona gitikia deputy ari professor Kithure Kindiki he can sort many things no I can assure baraboromba gitikia governor I can assure all of them gitike mwe so no moga akiona baire bakagitate bakaga
very true
na bo baire bakaga tika bathuki nikagitike
giki mwe
inde tukethe atu na thirikari ya kitaifa na ina muntu wetu nao na ina usemi kinya babange baire bakaga batiura tiethe ukumbira wanda uga
Gukwerewa.
batiura
Batiura.
indi o muchetho ju twina ju jo kwenda tutagitikia rais na gitikia naibu wa rais twija kuruira giki Amiru giki Amiru ikimwe munya achindo itikia ngavana na Arua atija kwa sisi mithika atija kwa sisi lakini bano ba ministers thirikari ne ya kitaifa tukwereano niki tukuisti brain chietwa so ndene nyabaraniria beti kwa muntu umwe kuma au na twinde tumbira William Ruto twita uteithia William Ruto na kindiki bachinda kura izere kuma au tubera twibenu twakamiru twigintu kimwe nandi nonto division iji itibua ende tutugaita nantu tutafunza watu civic education je iona
mpaka wajue
kuma ndiguru irombo ile tuona gitikia kia deputy president bwana mbere gato ikigia mira na rura gatundu tugaikia mira na aria twiromba gitikia waziri ukaigwa Miru kiria ruita muno ewa ni cabinet ikithomo itu mumiru nethiro aria ariku
ariau
iro bakira itu batho baja wa cabinet na bagaitango ibwaga bamwiraria kinyamunyoju gatara assistant minister you see ba Karoeo bangaine indi gitikia DP turaero no William Ruto nonto na gutwenda turi Amiru na twaewa tutikitie mira tutikitie nyanthenge ategona buina a politician a manager a leader umba kwa interested na affairs jiande gurui ndi yethera ntu ibaije kwithira we next in command ikugate you can be interested no tongere bandi gurui deputy president Kindiki I mean William Ruto aire deputy president akacheza kama yeye akakuwa rais Kibaki may so rest in peace na ali vice president akacheza vizuri akakuwa rais unaona na ndiki nyaba hatui trend no iriku
mcheze kama
jeriko tenda ntukuimwe host mtu na lazima endre woni mwana oku no aitenguge in the next 6 years and I'm very serious kire Amiru in the next 6 years mwana oku no aitenguge bishine rais wa Kenya rais wa Kemiru in the next 6 years that's how by the antu iborigana ne kimathia kujirita let me do this knowledge ran murungu ampete ya kuanalyze siasa na kuona where we are going na that position ye mwathani ampere kairi na maromba yantu gukurukira deputy president mulitirango ge ofisi newe nego mpaka anyaga kuthikira antu baba ingi omenau kumara kuntu na guntu meate ajabu roju ona ndi wajia na tutigene na guthai na imwathani I give glory to God uria nkuigua omenau nie tikirie ni ndeja nkabwira mbwire tu no ntugwira gwa antu betu ora ikwaga umenyo mbwire na mbwire atiri na nkono origara in the next 6 years Jerry mwana oku no aitengugi kana mwaronyago ka nya ugwe tuge amen no itengugi obishine ya rais wa Kenya rais ukwaria Kemiru no nturuto aruro mianke 5 wate karwenda kura kairi from there tukambirie kwaria na Giriama twambirie kwaria na Wataita twambirie kwaria Masai twambirie kwaria na Kenya yonthe na mgintu kira na kio tukethea tuibenda iria ni kitu ambacho chajiuza chenyewe
chema
kuma tukitonya agitonya na nditwe nyato gaikonjera tuthina mwaronya ko kana nya ugwe na ndini ndeja yankauga nditango bici nayo ya deputy president muntu agakarira iteki Mumiru na tirazime thengi dio akarira Mumiru giteki in 6 years time from now umu interview akiuga itango ofisi na rais wa Kenya na rais ogwarie Kemiru kumwira muga agwira muga muno
amen to that
kana withire nya ugwe igwo kethero ino
amen to that kuna mdogo wa tre Ambile then hawa shua ya kwamba Githura na ataweza kutusaidia kwa maana Mithika was sacked and Githura's watch
na ndi uga kuja poka kamuno na ndi baba raithirie nyumba ndo muri baba raithirie ndo unfortunately boragana bange ukethira end teacher skuru eu na ije mwana omwe bau bau baraithirie etero ujo kotini auge rekereniu so tikithure kindi ki wa sagre mithika baugira
yes
tikithure kindi the appointing authority either a president of the republic niki gitumi mugata sakwa niki niki mugai ngugine Eric waziri I can also say kindiki kinyoene baiba uga bataingi bonde si walitolewa kwa cabinet wote kana am I wrong president yatengire cabinet yonde atiga Mundavandi
yes
atiga Mundavandi arugamirite Mundavandi meano yora ari minister chionde kinyage professor kindiki alikuwa
nyumbani
pacho nkono menya nandi mugomo jojo rakarikire cukuru era ibaranire no chunkoni boenderete te bonde bachoka nandi utumba ukethira uni na professor no nge bari njari nandi wotu achoko achoku ka bati kugenyo na ane nontu nge kwa
no mtu wetu kanya tare kuria atire anything for Nkobo hospital kana bado itote plani na always
bio
Nkobo hospital
uno uro kura kikira kingi ai na ndini ndiye japo mbere man Nkobo hospital I'm not speaking for governor I think Kenyatta una kuromba kura JMCA
yes
na ndi eromba kura JMCA I think tumantu tuna bati kwithe yetu kwata na tukire pressure the current leaders you see and they bachokie kethira wikyo kya Nkobo lakini I'm not speaking for the county government kuna MCA pale wa Nkwene Makasi na mbije Makasi ni muntu ni izalinda umba kinywe guchwira ntu bawe so ayo Nkobo gutugo mbo twika there is nothing for Nkobo hospital nothing na still umwira atire rimwe mtu nauga thank you for this lakini kuna ingine ona barabara ile cia Nkobo ile cionde thirikari ya William Ruto na Kindiki professor ni itetua 240 million na contract ne yajani barabara ile cia Nkobo
cionde
all those Nkobo roads hiyo pesa tayari imetolewa na imepeanwa same Nkobo so hiyo I can be able to say that
so no chief we want to mean that kinya maendeleo jaranto bakubetherete bakirethera sana bakiwa yate kuendelea kana ibagua maybe yatengerwe mbesa na batona yakiambiriria for example akoromona no meyetere it's among the
but ntiugira ni endelete ngire wanamalizia kwa wande
yes
na alafu tumenya movement baraka koromone trenders bara how will I think government county government itasaidia governor Mutumai is really on it kenda that time tumenya where what to do kenda iriera kita no to dokwere wako are is mega
okay now my question was no tukudhire kuna maendeleo ya maingi na twiri hii itafanyika ile itafanyika na ile nyingine na ile nyingine kuicha tukuru
na ile na siru zinafanyika
so now does it mean that maybe kinya irantu bakona itambiriria according to you no kuona ikethero ati kwambiriria ikethero siku by 2027
nire kuitambiria kuma de 2 years ago 1 year ago ria mdejaga na nyambuga 6 months ago indaragia mono tukiuga hii itaanza hii itafanyika but tundege show yakwa ile itafanyika ni kidogo sana ile nimesema ile nyingi ni ile ndauga ina nyondo nkwirire ria ndareja indatigire ndabwira na bombara gwitikia ndabwira Meru level 5 level 6 now
yes
njeshi inakuja pale mjengo inaanza ya kundicongest area na kutoma tu area level 6 tunda ugire na aruga kwenda uga itaanza ronda uga inaendelea barabara ile anda atarachi onde wanta kwira nyo iteje ugeta kuraja tumara no uchwe security tugeta aja uju gitorwa utege wone wone barabara si ati itaanza ishaanza
okay
ndakwira wite kianjai kianjai yako inde ntarauga itaanza ndauga kianjai ngorobere iguru na ndauga ndine ora barabara ile chia kianjai market ya ile tena kabro ina nire kirorami ndauga ndauga etakariene kanyanga kariene market yau angalia hiyo barabara angalia pande ya chini si ndio nimesema
yes
so ile actually ndauga kamberia then neu ya kanyakine nionda gwe kambiria nonto ya gojine yo phase 1 nirathirire na ndine phase 2 itete kwambiria na ndira nda gwe kambiria ni na as we continue storage ya itafanywa na ndaje itete ikithira nonto rende kazi
inafanyika okay
ngojoke kiuria kantacho
ochoke kiuria
mwenda nto aja mbere ndauga itaanza na ndi kako itaanza na itinga tuge itakamirika
sawa Ndingizo Mkobo footbridge hiyo tukimalizia
ni atakuria
kakuria kethra Ndingizo Mkobo footbridge
I don't kumenya how far it is but for sure ara Ndingizo ni very dangerous na iko kwenda footbridge yau na imbije ne ariritwe but ntikwenda kugaonea mbugara yangite but ke tumari moto ya TV ne tukianandirie na tuthikira feedback ni tikenda tu defensive ni kenda tugwatenya feedback yau so from the show ngeta ne ere to do as homework go check na ntubakena kenda tumenya kethira footbridge yau iko kwa mpango
okay Franklin Kome, I agree with Honorable Gideon Kimathi that the President and the Kenyan community, we need to do a serious soul searching and have an open and honest conversation with our children who often than not reflect their environment. Ingutikiwe commentaira on the schools. Yaro kwarere kimanto ya skuru. So tukithikiria the former president naugite hii serikali imekuwa sana ya blame games. Kitu kihappen mnasema ni mimi, kitu kihappen ni Uhuru, kitu kihappen ni opposition, kitu kihappen ni serikali. Do you think ni blame game ikoendelea?
You know, former president I respect him.
Yes.
Na we respect him. Na President Kibaki na arina kanya na akarakara nthiguru ije after akuretire from politics. No taigua kimendo into the affairs of the country. Na ere President Uhuru Kenyatta hampo time na good environment kuitira ntungugi. What we are lacking now ne a former president deonde agapia in camera and in public as being a non-partisan. But behind the back, incitement. Yeah? Mantera kuthithia nija kuandamine president nonto na deputy na mushinda. And that's why kethira gaukira kutuomuria.
Lakini atena right si awenda democratically si
constitution. You know what? It's okay, he has a right, but he doesn't have kuchimba serikali kila president kila wakati. Na no ntwe na right yeu neon nyani ndi na right ya kuchiuria atiri Uhuru Kenyatta 5 years 2017 to 2022 is it 2017 2020 yeah what did you do for Meru?
Kulikuwa na mabarabara
gani? Taja.
Sitaweza kutaja lakini zilikuwa.
Taja.
Unataka direction the tiari kasi sio wen?
Icheke baki.
Zote.
He
was there for 10 years.
Hata in bypass.
He was there for 10 years.
Ilianza that time. Yeah. Kwanza after repeat of the election. Ajai kanyanga hata Meru. Hata kuenda kanisa atoe sana. But we respect the former president. Lakini netikirie bangi batongerie nthiguru. Yeah. akakubali wengine
waongoze. Okay, sawa sawa. Kiri uwepo wako mheshimiwa, na time nayo najua mambo haijaisha, lakini sasa time na pia imetupa kisogo. Sasa kile Amiru ora kethira kibera.
Kile Amiru ora
no gitwira kinyo kethira uko kwa Ndebe bando ama ushaketi.
Tasema kile au mbijene okwenda muno. Kile Amiru Berema my friend Mpuru Aburi warari muchokeria nkatho ntu bagwika Amiru mapune Kenya. Me apatirinda bagito nandi
akethora leo
Mpuru netagwo ari patirinda.
Yes.
Na araba gwito bangi tin patirinda wa kiama kia nopeu ngui utamba ya jarungu Miru. So muchokeria nkatho ntu ba that courage na jumbe ba Miru bonde asante sana ntu bwa kwithira bwi mashina na aro ndatinda na ndani kiri mujumbe wa Segembe Central na nya odhikiria ground no odhikiria ora kwa ako interact na ntu odhikiria feedback yantu kaigua huyu ni mjumbe ako na watu wako mashinani na kwero imbio bakwenda kana bathithiretie ngui nyingi na mono ntu bangwataniro ya jumbe na thirikari ya William Ruto na kinyabara ya batathuri na kiama kia UDA ibetire kiri thirikari na bagwatanira thirikari no ntu barabara ndoji stima affordable housing all these projects ya Miru bakwenda ikauma thirikari-ini. So I want to tell them thank you. Banandi ndombe ya Miru wara bari na tongeria ba Miru na winyi bunene sana mbarombe tutegere siasa ere kuendelea Kenya boega na tuichienda. East West home is best. Kenya kune au uwori are o mama ogokira ne okenyeku. So utege Kenya ingi kiarirua utege au gwaku twitikirie kethira kwi mirandi ya thirikari tukuona area yenu tuge na ndi twi na murandi juju twe thirikari kanya irike murandi ju na tunenkere thirikari another 5 years nikenda ikendelea mirandi yu irike na turete mirandi kinyengi iria gatethia ndiguru yetu tugatonyo siasa nje upinzani antu betu ba Miru antu ba Miru turakara upinzani na tukorirua turakara upinzani igita fulani turakara na Kibaki twamuringira kura nkurukinya kwao tamu ijere agishindagwo 2 times igita riu twaromba barabara tukerwa itumbindan when money is available igita riu barabara cietu ciari kuthira njeri ntietha no rio igita riu no rio munene but othuta ngari Miru wikinya Nairobi ukethira kwa witete cibitari mugongo nontu barabara ciari marinyaki all over cibitari tukwari ritariku area opposition politics opposition zone irore atweragwa wenda muntu okuruma raisi Amiru bareo that time Kenya ingi developere for 10 years batu tutigi nyuma na twire agogoti thai ugeta Mount Kenya West ugeta nara Kiambu ugeta Murang'a ni ise gutara barabara ile itekirirami antu otarire jikirirami haja ndize karashu ne ngabutare barabara ile ikirorami barabara ile itekirirami nontu ijo nini tituona kanya Amiru twithira twitu tukuga utonga bwa Kenya nontu deputy president yari utonga bwa Kenya bukaga wati kumenya kuti utonga bwa Kenya bukaga watije tukenda gwichokia nyuma Amiru au turekirwe methene ira into bikugairwa tukenda kwirita methene eu nontu bara bangi bakungangana guchumba kiwe bakwenda gitiki tigiti bakwenda ni ntobire baketha bena advantage egukinyira bare are ure mwingi jore yake ya Amiru na batwe antu ba Miru turi antu babome tukaringirwa gituma na au turega kuona utonga turega kuona opportunity ira twinyo this time round so ndaboromba kethia nuromba giti kia MCA kia MP kia women rep kia senator kia governor ni akia kukuromba gitikira ukuromba. It is your right, it is your democratic right. Lakini gitikira ki mwathani no atwetekia deputy president. No ntugwe deputy president atikuromba gitikio binda gweta bia county. Please itumuteitherieni itugwatanire amwe rene igitara ucokanirie nyumba yetu kenda Mount Kenya yonthe nio igua nyumba yetu ni riki kena andi twita kuongera omenare. So ndiona President William Ruto irinkathi yetu Amiru nkathira tunenkereni mwathani nkathira twende tuma meanka egana kana ere inya tutumite kuma 1963 na tutamanage. William Ruto atunenkera yo netumi na atwikira muntu wetu iguru are tia twari skuru gwe yuku twathoma tukera one more step stepping out na ndio na batu tuliki one more step. William Ruto ara kwira kwa stepping out yara na ndi kwari class 8 class 7 ikyo kera one more step na batu tu one more step. William Ruto is stepping out. So to mutetherie nonto this is a leader, this is a transformative leader. We na project all over, we na agenda ya ndiguru iji tumutetherie turi Amiru ombe kuona utongerie bwa Kenya 2027 gipindi kia biiri nonto gute president tutai ipindi biiri tumunengere ipindi kia biiri twamunengere ipindi kia biiri a step out noena andi Professor Kindiki noe aitia wangi kena andikira tukethia tutigerie ramira tukethia tutigerie tutekira nonto 5 years ije kuma 2027 mwaka 2032 bandu tugekira rami nyingi Meru tugaka industry nyingi Meru tugaka thoko nyingi Meru ana bakaandikwa lakini bandu ngugitethia ikuthira ngugiri ikethia itigere gutwike ne kuma gipindi kia 2032 wita uria na tuitu twi State House ne okuga utonga bwa Kenya nonto nyatu tukugairwo muno na tugaimeneni Amiru o uria munjaru akuga no ae rais ora Muruya akuga no ae rais o mukalenjini akuga no ae rais muiku ora akuga no ae rais anga no ae MB kinya batu Amiru in any case deputy president watu inwe is comparable to none. He is a professor, is muntu ina experience nene mono, muntu ina winyi yabo nene mono babo kuendeka, muntu tuonete Kenya yonthe in a lot of trust kirwe na Kenya ni kuigwere safe in the hands of Professor Kithure Kindiki. Charity begins at home, tukurie nigo wetu. Charity begins at home, twarie manto ja mega ya Meru, twarie manto ja mega ya tongeria ba Meru, onara tukaumira, tukimenyaga east or west, home is best.
Thank you.
Asanteni sana.
No, rugi kana ushake.
Wanda ugire uju mono ntobasa udimenti. Thai deputy president na president bampete kanyara ka kutetheria mirandi enda uga yonde na mibango thirikari. For now nditengugiu. Nonto efisi ene guita ngugi. Fire wera nkethira ya Southimenti ya Centurimenti Emiru. Na ugire ndethire na mbega naja. Nkameki sure ina mbotu na munene no na atina thina. Kinywa na tega akodi ya mantu jare ya Centurimenti na ajari ya mantu ya Northimenti ya mantu ja Igembe North. Baburi. Na ndi tuone kira tumba kuretanga na haraka. Na ndi tu no tonga ugo barabara. Mashini ikiruruma na ara barabara ne kanyakine barabara kionyo mashini ikiruruma na ara ule bwa mitungu. Afonda bozing ige akagwa nara nkubu afonda be market ile tukwenda gwaka ya kieni kia ndege goji nonto itukungangana na Dr. Shadrack Mwiti na tutetha gwe deputy president itukungangana tona ara kieni kia ndege goji kugwa kwa thoko kiri budget yetu jite nande baimine kiri advertisement ile kathithwa tukwenda thoko era yakware nene mono na ithoko ige akagwa kionyo kuge akagwa barabara ige akagwa gaturi nare all over Southimenti construction site na tungangene twina mujumbe Dr. Mwiti twareta mirandi uyo yonthe nau na ndefisi siasa kinya Niende na kandi ingi nkeja mbwire uria mpumba kuthithia nyankuruki. Indi for now ntikwenda uthonya siasene tuthatia maendeleo jau. Unde ona mbwike mbere antu ba South Imenti na kubwika mbere ni aran kuona gintu kimbotethia South Imenti kiria mpumba kuogora ikeja sawa. Kiria nkuona mujumbe na kwenda kau nkamwira haraka sana ile kitu iko pale kafairo karambije ka project fulani kai Antoana tunasukuma namna hiyo into miradi hiyo ya mbeje South Imenti into bia South Imenti na ndi turuja ile otongerie antu akurwa mwanka twitura inyabira twinabyo kana twinga inyabira biende umba kuja South Imenti.
Thank you.
Asanteni sana.
Kuna mtu kuwa if Kithure Kindiki vice for president today naweza mpatia kura yangu bila kumpinga, lakini akiwa anda Kasongo naona itakuwa ngumu. Haya, kuna mtu no kwenda uangalie sana rutero rwa Igandene. Igandene. Yeah, uangalie so ukirudi na hiyo file yako.
Najua hapo barabara nini?
Angalia ya Igandene kama iko hapo.
Igandene kujira yororo au gatankene. Nkomenya mwere na nijua.
Okay. Yes. Na pia ukirudi pia ambia the deputy president kwamba Wameru bado wanalia kwa sababu ya bad tree. Bado inaendelea na bado mambo inaendelea kuchemka. Okay. Haya, thank you so much.
Asante sana. Thank you. Haya, tuko enjoy show. Andete ankawa happy Madaraka Day.
Kabisa.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
Ate celebrate Madaraka yetu kuire dinarua.
Narua.
Tu celebrate tume hadi tutakinya. To happy Madaraka Day Ameru na Madaraka Day tu celebrate tuwire tue na twe mapune Kenya nuntu nyaro uyu gatega wonero akaribisha president deputy president mwana wenu Professor Kindiki.
Kabisa.
Yavo na ndiki onte kwenda burutu ichokia nyuma. Hapana na tu mtu atemba kwenda giteke unaoka na tukaririta na tukira hapana. So happy Madaraka Day na wapenda sana. Asante.
Okay. Thank you. Na ibu akinyono wita nuntu bakweja na kwithirwo kiariria Meru na kubatariria 1 2 3 bakithira bakimenyagira batiwisi bakithira bakomenya. Kwa hivyo mutegeri wa Meru TV na muthikiri wa Thiri FM, thank you so much kinyo wena nuntu bakithira ria mwana batu kumakagita kato ambiririe mwangatha ikithaki omba kuthira gikithia tutathiria mantu yetu kwendete kumenyithia, lakini nuntu ba time kesho pia ni siku ntu kuingi tugatimira tumbe kuthira tukiaraniria mantu ja ngorira tuko bothongi na bojo rithiri mwe mwathani mwankira tu tulimanare ujo kaire Jerry Wacheupe.
Ngagwe uri mu Kenya muchiacha na nukuria ni kiama kiriko ugatonya gukinyaniria kiroto giaku gichiacha nandi kiama kia nopeo ni kirugurite mirango yakio ni undu bwaku nandi no uchiandikithie no gatwika mukiama wa nopeo uri muchigo waku dial *509# na uthingatire uria umba guchiandikithia ta mukiama wa nopeo kana guchiembiria kiamene kiria haria uri na gitio kugweria. Nkoroki no ciandikithie gukorokera eCitizen kana kiri political party portal gukorokera www.ippms.orpp.or.ke. Kiama kia Nopeo nikio gitongeretie Meru na Kenya ngima. Ciandikithie narua ta mumemba. Kiama toriuga Nopeo, tupande ngazi pamoja. Karibu Embu College, mahali vipaji vinageuka kuwa taaluma. Hapa tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu mwenye ujuzi unaotafutwa duniani leo. Kozi zetu ni pamoja na biashara na uhasibu, kupata msingi imara wa dunia ya fedha na biashara, uandishi, kujenga, kubuni na kuunda suluhisho za kifundi, ususi na urembo kwa ubunifu unaogusa maisha na kuongeza weledi, upishi, kuleta ujuzi wa mapishi ya kitaalamu na ladha zinazovutia, usimamizi wa utalii, kukuandaa kwa fursa katika sekta ya utalii na huduma, sayansi ya kompyuta na tehema ambapo teknolojia ya kesho inaanza leo, elimu ya udhibiti wa uhalifu, kuchangia usalama na ustawi wa jamii, mhudumu wa afya, wahudumia wengine kwa weledi na huruma, udereva kwa ujuzi salama na wa kuaminika barabarani. Chagua Embu College. Safari yako ya mafanikio inaanza na hatua moja. Jiunge nasi leo, ututembelee katika mitandao ya kijamii, Facebook, Instagram na TikTok ni @Embu College. Embu College, skills to go places.
Yes, odi Antomeru County, Tharaka-Nithi County, Isiolo County, na Kinyambu County, ntorerio cionthe ciithirikiritie ituri bionthe bianthe bira bimagaruo nkuja na ntato siri na murio tamatanta jamasono jagi empekea uki atia we ukwenda kwethira wina mantu ukwenda kumenyithia antu nukwenda track kana ngare arudishu aja ni oturi nini wewe areria antora ndongo na ndongo antu bakwigwe warie tankongi maugene atiri gwo kwenda kugire skuru yaku gwo kwenda kuthia road show kana kiabo kira kionthe kwenda sauti yenene atiri aja tuli na ngare ya road show ira tugukunenkera na maguri jara ya kuguna mukojo waku na kinyawenda tukwejania muna mugi kana na MC sound irere aja nire tionekete kaire kuma ndiguro rombo kuma gitara baroti ko ye gitara banumo ngagucoka kwa Jesu runguru eria igurura matu na kinyamanga nyoni na ndenjo mo gutoneka engeta eji Thimo number 0725-170-744 withirogisi gwatira ngari yaku ya road show na kinyoke ya kuthawina kiatho aunja ni oturito rya kwina ngwe taritho na gutu nini wewe turekane you can read about it in the Daily Express.
Mujiari nukuria niko kaira mwana waku kugwata kithomo kia utia wa kiriu ugakua nkorokaire nuntu Embu College ni atongerete kithomo kia utia na kiobundi Mount Kenya East na Kenya ngima na twina miaka 30 kuma tukwambiriria Embu College mwana waku akegwatira motia makamumbithia kuruta wira kajaga Kenya twina courses ta School of ICT, School of Hospitality and Social Sciences, School of Driving, School of Agriculture and Environmental Studies, School of Engineering, School of Education, School of Accounting and Business, Advanced Healthcare Assistant na Jenge Kathumba. Iandikithie kiri ujukania uri othiete na mbere kiri mutandao gukurukira www.embucollege.ac.ke kana uturingira thimu gukurukira 0741871257 kana 0705761606 kana 0790849934 ni ugwati ugeni gukongwira miaka 30 ya utungata wetu. Embu College, skills to go places.
Flex Meruka Bazaar bagwatanirite na onania bangi bainto bya mithemba mwanya mwanya ni bakinyete Meru Showground Nandi. Uri mu biashara wa ngari nini gweta mwanka sport utility vehicles, spare part cia ngari, electronics, bank and microfinance, insurance company, into bia urembo na bingi kadhomba. Flex Meruka Bazaar tugakureta hamwe na mteja waku. Ikinyie ntuko chionde cha Jumapili kwambĩrĩria thaa 12 cia rũkĩrĩ mwanka thaa 12 cia ugoro, ukaigwatĩra kanya ga kwendia na kũgũra into bionthe biria ũtwĩre nyonterete. Flex Meruka Bazaar ni one stop shop. Kumenya manto nkoroki turiongere Meru Showground Sunday chionde kana uturingire thimo gukorokera 0705 950 920. Twende Flex Meruka Bazaar. Ni mwecheche. Anuje no waranire no bichi cia Meru TV na There FM ukaigwa kuri ondobote ukugweria kumakere programu iria igwetaruone. Nandi no tume maoni jaku gukorokera email yetu iria ni merutv.complaincenter@gmail.com kana utoringire thimu gukorokera 0140 794 142. Meru TV chionere mwanya.